won fa nupra ni sini hama a chese efi ne kika wo bia ni hom won fa nsa wo yade dipa dodo na di ne ho adanse enunti ane age pene se Alhaji Sidibe ye be bod ho dawuro ama wiase nya atenenka owo ofenso na monzongo baby ankramofo asonda no won udu wa busa se wo hwe Alhaji Sidibe wo bia be chewo ne kira kwan na woni no akọ to kese na wa hwe aboa sunsun femu na mfemu akontu osem ayede adwuma sem ayede abawo enwo ayede ndi amapa obeti wabrabo no so ana Alhaji Sidibe udu ofenso na monzongo baby ankramofo asonda no wo na ubisa obi abeche fredum 0266 666668 0266 666668 offer no Alhaji Sidibe obeya wa 2 na waboa na wo ha nya etu atwa na anopai breto ba constituency Mandela akwa wa kado the boka temusem na poso watrase yankwa den chen na akomni nchimu onfa na poso no emfa emaye breto ba
Eduana
akwa ne fie boko de
Firi ampoko anya ko wadaroma efie boko
dio wode na so acheye
so acheye
sa pepepe
me na na ama na eba na mse o di ne dokro de se wo wi ansa sana papa mse be bi edron de ohiam frama ntentem ohiam frama ntentem mse the second eating no
sao okay
ye wie news no ano mse wo de kakra
gumu
Ze nanum na akoye short ka kwa dise gina na yedi nsu agum
to
koka kra bia na asa engine no
abayo samia mi sia no eno ma no wako year report ba na no din enti
na ma enso ba de sema ma yema mu nyina ache enne eye yawada bosome mienu ne de toso aduonu miensa enso ene no twede ampokwa nyankopɔ wa me hu ne han fefe na senem dika kan ko wakrata dodo no abedwaman so doso payi na me de daybreak ene efrase wo say China Bokos Barretra Depth Talk na abehu sana ahene enso eda ho ti MCC kasem bia
ade no a Ghana for ye kwa akopa wo mo chewo no mo to mo mpene
wo say China o na la
ye ko say ye do mo ka sa ndi ye kwa akosere wo mo se ewura no yi baabi anu ma aduru no ayete ne de amaye etika ne ye de mo no munya hu bibi mfamaye se mo de che ye kura ye beda mo ase pa ana se mo amfa nche ye kura de se mo ye hu bibi se o
ya teso
esi hu no ye de ni nya che mo ana se ye ma mo mfihia be wa ha
ye mfa tunchiri ma ho
dia ana wase China say
so mo bokoto sa Barretra Depth Talks no aye no mo kan
ma mo nya sa
sana henefo nya sa
China fo nya sa
mo mefa ya me nko dipa ama wo mo
mo nya sa mo
mefa ya me nko dipa ama wo mo
sa ye Zambia fo di wo mo ka na sika no so yi ena wonu wo di nkomo no so enye mo airport ye beba abeje na ya hweso
na sika bia be ba
ho na ne tete ye de ne ma mukaka nti ma kwa akoji ai anu na ye ne ye se ye beko e bia na wo tina kura no ye rake no furu ata be dido mo o ma te se ye ba na o ma ka se basa
ana sa yesa no mo ate ho bibi enti no mo ababo nten se ebi amaye makora
mo nyesa
ba mo so mo abetena abewe empon kire ne
mo nyesa
ye nabodabo wo krum na mo abewe wo nyina de ko na bi na mo no mo se ye de mo kana ye be ka ho bibi a mo se mo nte ase
age asem no mo kika sa
ene emre ne me ka me de be twa ne nyina ato ne se ko me fa ye mebunu no bi na ye nko ye dwuma wo ho
ne fantetika
ani fantetika no me fi se no betumi adan abo se na safe trade no na san frase me fi se de betumi
na safe trade ntwemu
baburu de aka se mfa mo nkokkrafo nko
sa
mani da chi mo ase
na se bia ka se ye wo de ye mfa ye nko a wo be ka se ye mpom den no wo fe
na de boduro no ye nse da on ke se mo furi am se
no China obi ono ore mo a wo mo ani wo mu tinso mo ye wo ka so wo mo mre na wo mo abesesa nkokkrafo do ko no ya san akogu aguom so mabunu no 20 to 30 no be ba fa wo do mo akro te se Rashid no mo te hai hwe na betini hwe na beti timu se do kwa wo se koko no kra de ho de se emfa sekan na ebo kwaduru kra star ya enyina wo mdi twa no efe nya Ghana fo de ya afe na ye so sekan mu na ye twa amna be hwe fam ne bia pie bia paapai no China na sa na omu ye no afidie badwema ayete se de de to ye de te ayikoko no esom na twa ne se te na de na beto fam ti won ba be fire de akwa omo me fire
okay nana se fie boko
oba de adaro ma bibia boko
abibia ye boko ampa
busanso adidi ne
menu nyina na didi bom
nana ale waja SDA no
menu nyina na didi bom
busanso waja SDA no kwa
ubetina hanma ina menu nyina na didi bom ye nyina
waja SDA no kwa na
onsa akonya kwa oba ye wodemu
otimi ntram ma ne nyi
odem
enjasi abanisa na bia na ko wakrata akro no a samre de se mahama wababo nten de ato Ghana fo nyina ne mitutu NDC amanyuko se kwambia so no oba na esi ahenefo ene atu ahenefo so mtu abama no a kwambia so no obegina amanyuko na ne mo mfinhia mpinu ene aduoni nan yenko na na ma ho na de aba no wonfa ne de ento aso
yo anapedia mede to aso the Chronicle da bakrata no na ensembia wade aba MPA National Petroleum Authority eno mo kire se wonum badwumade gusu konko den sebe ye beboa na fuel ne bo no atumi ate abafom esanse fom go bo kwosora na nneoma nyina pagya ade ahokyere na eba enti wonum entena se nye hwe ba bibia da se so obodo omani kire na fuel bo eba fom no wo mu edi hu adwuma na NDC amnyoko no so ena owura ahiagba ono communication director emma MPP amnyoko wakasa to bidia ma wonum kire se eba economy no si manage ya to padi a NDC amnyoko nsimu bi wasi adisi amyeko nka ho kra esanse bere bia da de Ghana economy be hye wo mo nsa no wono mototo na dense senwoma na so MPP se agensem sei wo mo na siesie ma ne yeye empo emprempre ya ho kire ya wiase nyina na mu no eya de economy no MPP nsem no eni da so wo mu ya ahiagba wakasa ensem no krata edi bi aba na kase de dim hanum sei eye kane mampani John Dramani Mahama ni mfonyi da hanum wa hye ne fugu kama che ehye so na wohwefo nyine ketewa bi ede kire honom so a ase owura haruna jusu akane domkuma wona no ni wono so nim ketewa bi ete honom na wo kire se kane mampani akasa anampo no se sei de watagate wodnani abota Jubilee House so ya ehono wo sanso ape honom akotene biyo a kratai ede ho nsem bi abansem afoforo bi ka ho no pay the Chronicle ede abadwa so
menko daily guide mu emfa entoa so na yewura hia abansem ya wokan se NPP de wo mu ba kwan bia so no Ghana 40 ne ma bi pampan se wo mu nya bi nikase kra wo mu ete pampan no na NDC de wo mu ba na wo mu abese ne makra Mahama ne amre de ne form wa wakopeke se 2024 odi NDC amanyoko anim no daily guide so atwa ede abane mfoni danimu na max ne nim se ne awokasa na wose na ado danko akufuado sa amre de aprosifo ebebo na ba so pa ewo anamo bi a wotuo ewo mu akache wose ka makoma akon oha na afi moto makoma ahensia na samre de wo mu ensa atimi aka a we nyina ye nhyehyɛ ya na nado danko akufuado wo pese wo faso na oman no etimi fa ntapa enso efra enso ewo ho na samre de aka ho bie amra ye saade no enso enyina nana ye ntoa so
na de me de toa so Ghanaian Times enim hanso no ade a wode nsam hodo no na aba na Ghana mampani na adodanko akufuado nimfo nyini eda hanom sei na Ghanaian Times bo amane ye a wo twem se Ghana emfinhie aduasane ye kabamami nka bi aye adwuma no aban no akasa ye a wo twem se government no aye committed anampo no watu no ho esi wasa obeboa ama mrahye bedefie ma hye ne kena nneoma nyina atumi akonkan ensem no wo page 4 na krata ye nso de opani a wono na NPA adwuma no woda ano Dr. Mustafa Hamid nimfo nyini eda hanum se no wakasa ya ochese OMCs oil marketing companies ya womu eni outlet makoma be aduanan enum no sa gold for oil dwumadie no yemfa worom enka ho ebia na chese wo oye marketing company wo nkra bataye sen woni bebrebe beye aduanan enumu a wonka ho bi nti na wahye afa ho adwene na kreta ya so ebo amane e wo pay 12 ya o twese kane mampani John Dramani Mahama ene afoforo bi eyade a worum afa won krata ye omunyina pese omugiremu na worum etu franka ma NDC amyoko na krata ede ho nsem bi nso aba na krata nso abamane wo twese Germany anase German mano worum se wo mo ye krado ya worum eta omanga na chipampe sebeya domestic debt exchange program ya ebe no emwa biada ya Ghana hia no worum betimi ede ahyo yasene esense de ekoso no enhyehyɛ ya aban no ye na montuo no aka wo makoma ahyo wo mani bibia da na kwamo enunti ye hia mwa biada ye medan wo mo na wo mo so ebeboa yen ye ache secretary de hu nsem bia ba eho no de eye asamde na krata peteri ase hatia no de ato ha no mo ye wo amane se nipa baako wahwe ne nkwa afoforo miensan so mo prepapa de mu ode eno eye bra na eyiro bi ekoso ama tututuo esi wo eye na se ene nipa yi baako afemu a wahwe ne nkwa
the Meridian nam de to aso na German for so mbeboa yende a ene Ghana se de hia niska great cash ti wo mu fa bi emeboa yen na Meridian so wakasa afa samre de Mustafa Hamid nensem ye ode aba betudwa efa gold for oil yi ho nsem mu ana na ma kan ndie me nkom bebre enumu ena yeru ache mensa bonsu ye kom rasebedwafia dom kese no ono oda wo mu ano sene nansan nipa bi kan na mpanimfo bi so a wo mo adwene a emudo ewo eye emrakun ne mu no se emrakun ne dibu Ghana man a ye tworo ye wafiapem ahenkron ade okron mienu no nyanyan sakiraye ensu ewo mu a anopa kase bom moteye no eno a na papa wogina ho eka se enema no ene nhyehyɛ no bi wo ho a aye a cake nti ebraso si etimi ye nhyehyɛ na etimi ede sakira mu na wase contempt case against Apostle Eben Boahen eno ena court kotra se a omu akotu enso ede ahyeda ti papa ye bo ni din se bia wokona se lubi na nim se wo wasem bi wo court akotu asem na ahyeda nti kotoko wakrata the Meridian a behunu nia ekoso nyina enso ewom ti memfa the Meridian enso nsia na ma enso entoa eso
afa de medison shokrakra wo medie mu ha eye Daily Searchlight wodi nsem ni bi aba na no so Rua Richard Ahiagba communication director Emma NPP amyoko no wono ani fonyini da hanum se na nsem ni nyina e opetu yi a wakasa wotwem se efiti bra COVID-19 yade yi ni tise kenkere enema nyina sai ye den so no abanu gusu wo bomoden sebe ye nyoma ye hwereye ne age nsem ne achia ye ne ehwegu ye ebra COVID-19 eyi ni tie no obesan so aboa bi ma enema gina brand titiru ene economy no ehun nsem wode abaye ewo petu na Mustafa Hamid nsumfonyini da hanum se oil marketing companies makomako anampo no ye a wo chese omuni outlet makomako be aduana enuma sa gold for oil dwumede muntim fom hu nhyem no eno so kratai aboho bi amane ena wo chese Ghana aban Europe no ena afa United Nations worum aka bomu ye a wo mo launch migration partnership and some no edoso a ewo page 4 okoto na okenkan a ne tuemu ne nam so mampanifo tu sa na mo wei ene won butai ntinyina no eyade akratai ede hu nsem bi aba ebebo yie na chese ne manyina atumi akonkan na ne krakra mu ene wo ba mane se ne edikan aten dada na wotwi mu no se ne Ghana mampani na adodan kwankufo ado wo chese vehicles makoma wa ha motorcycles eka ho ebie ene ne keka ho wode ama Ghana post adwumako no se emwa no mudwumadie entumi enko wano no eno so kratai asande ho nsem bi aba
na the enko ena yede sori Mahama wakofa ne forms na we wose round 3 ena okro na enumu no ena wodne wo mu a esi akan bi te se Spio Gabra Joshua Labi ene afoforo dodo no a wose papa wa block wo mu nyina na ensemu asamri ababetodwa wose mewe a wo enkran ena ababetodwa se AMA no samri de sika opepem ahanwotwe 800,000 ena bronya bremu wo mu ede tomo ene anwa so wo mu chicheye se wo mu ana kodiye so mu ye ne den ene wo mu a wo mu nsem no se samre de papa ya frɛ no na ye de no kogina emranim se enema hoduo bi a waye wo sansem mu no wo mra na wo mekyerɛkyerɛm emo ne anwa no de ntia ka ho bi emo mo ye saade no ne wo mu a wo de kɔkyɛ wo mu nyina no wo mebu akonta fiko emfenchire oman Ghana na wose galamsey nsase bi sabre de mpanimfo aya ama over 100,000 hectares of land ena womu enso etimi enso agye so womude amaban so womude ede ama ohina okrom ho this okoto the enko en wakenkan em wahunu nia ekoso enso nyina enso nana ebitu aso
there be of fire fancy
yo ene adesimamba ye de ano asi na me breto ba kwasi twumasi Mandela am na me wofa ase
nana amaboachoa
yes sorry na morning show no ato aso ye da mo ase ya mama moniti ya adeshi
He wants. What's the wedding easy? Oh, you butu ankasa.
Missy, Lufat na wajima where you?
Hey, malaria drew Lufat. To my wedding, where you hospital?
Sister, where I imagine there, few hours to my wedding. No, Missy, Semo, whom I shepe. Linketa was a mikunia. My husband is sick.
Hey, Timo Tornado. No, was annoying.
What's the water tested positive for malaria?
Maybe never into the one for ambulance. No one.
Up ambulance. It's not a bicycle.
Hey, no, that's it from Kakabo.
No, kick. Many wedding gonna me make up Nina. Sometimes.
That's right.
Nearest pharmacy. Oh, one meji Lufat.
Entrance pharmaceuticals for one malaria druna.
Inyo. No, na one chair. Mukuno china nenadi. A brand pa.
No, Kuniso. Oh, no, Pona Waka that you may kiss the bride. Oh, if you want to show day.
No, donna. Man, no, you don't know.
Indeed, woman malaria and cold to them. Lufat. A malaria drop test for malaria before treatment. FDA ashesa egede nkratoi ajatum se eye.
Obiara rebisa, neda me shiva, on a payment and wasn't brodo. Missy oya alternate, fatigue in a fever, so on a pay me repisa. Missy oya alternate, malaria, then mo general body pains, but I'm feeling sick of alternate. Everything be alternate. Take off in be the ultimate, no martinate. Malaria fever, no martinate. Nimu fatigue in a headache, no martinate. Weja when I'm yow, no martinate. Pasta na lawyer, no martinate. Presented for count, no martinate. Kaya yo you borrowed them, no martinate. Mano mede, also no martinate. Yo, no martinate. Malaria fever, no martinate. Nimu fatigue in a headache, no martinate. Weja when I'm yow, no martinate. Pasta na lawyer, no martinate. Presented for count, no martinate. Kaya yo you borrowed them, no martinate. Mano mede, also no martinate. Yo.
Rose, Frekitra ni video man nebi sasa ayefra no hyehyɛ no asisen.
Bra, wo so abremu. Sanya manko ne kwaware ebre. Uyiri we die sa otiwa ni hwɛ ne pa.
Ye di machi so papa. Aka 2 days pe na wedding ye dru so. Ɛna
hwɛ G-Code relief tablets ibinum na ho ntɔ wontem. Watimi ama iri wedding case. I don't know.
Cold relief.
Pepper so no kokoko. Etimi a wankitenkete. Uchimu yo dududu. Ana hwene mu so ne su ana so hwene masi. Cold relief. Ebe relief wo ama ho atɔ wontem so.
Cold relief. Semensia wa enkambetra oba we mu saa so mo agam hako.
Awari so.
Don't know.
Ubenya cold relief for pharmacy bi eben wo mu. Etufonko Tobinco Limited Kumasi Sports Stadium echi. YF Brono no so. Telephone 051 38966. Cold relief.
A relief mentam so.
Foligo capsules ni syrup your multivitamin fofra and yama mofani benina. Iron, zinc, copper, folic acid, vitamin B6 nutrient ashimuma. Foligo brama oxygen and chuko yemuno. And ye jumeji na honam nusunya hodina eshushe. Foligo syrup the dead malt ni ewowo ni yama mofra. Foligo blood building nutrients and so on the pama benefo. And we get to for new beer wire the hotel.
FD ahwehwe surgery nkwatu mu agya tum sɛ yɛ
Bema, na de one pound and in Sweden will say.
Minyaba, Minkosu saying, acquire contractors bimnum edemia fasuono. Or my from Sikina, a better than Kojanisu.
An idea about a construction worker, Edmako Bakope, a MCL Construction Services. One more bet me a war, Emma Odino, wet me a cynic kama. So what to assassin, now Pesavea, I'll bet me a hear to assassin nothing, was saying a young kata, Semina Mawa, a MCL. Ebiano was the diner that now per plumber so bet me
betimi aye wonsuo sem toilet ama wo a ne nyina fadan MCL afa kitchen no ye besiesie ne kama de ama electrical works ne nyina ye jemu e de ama MCL afa MCL construction besan ahwe wonum a omodan ensuo ama hu adwiridwiri ne nyina nso e de ama mo e bia na nkwankra anase hotel edumako ahodo a mo pese wonum ye renovation mamo no akonya wo ho sa edan no fina hyase kosi na wie ye de e MCL construction services and I was so the dan won
Ekria wo kasa asem we say atre me de na kire se obudi ne krampa we de kire mo kire akwan
hwehwe we kire akwan waso ye kase no e wo Wuniba na nanom school junction e wo nkan kwan so sanso e na abehu won Takrade Cape Coast Kumase Accra La Paz Akoteman e na fei achem across so obetimi ne won edi nkomo e was 0244843480 and of 054157827 and a 02022828888. MCL Construction, we build your dream into reality.
I get wings to fly. Oh, I'm alive.
Sorry, dear fa. One kasa with the walk wall home. Musha me skin. Ama me shataria memrekra. Nyamisho Skin City Laboratorium at the pa and the tono. Ye hyperpigmentation and a hypopigmentation. And no ye the one who do be a worry dear Skin City pair and a bit me a year free home. Malesma, a yen so pay a one man named Sam Ben a Riasha show freckles and then kika home. And no dante ye can be acne. Acne a pimple a bunny penny. A bit yasu. Ya wa ititosis. And what's one say now on Sakao skin now? Well, Felisa skin and rare fish, a year rare home. Senior and a white dot and a patches about with DNA. Ubonso Boa with DNA now, Munum said the Abu pleats, and our guidance and a keratosis, and also a strawberry. Strawberry not players a wood jacoqua. Said the Aqua what see a Simon Kademkademono, and you want anti-aging facial creams, and no SCS or wrinkles, and many pediatric son for fair, and yes, also will be worried was canning ye. A yes, Skin City Laboratorium pet and a mecha for the amount. And you want dry dark knuckles and no air will search ya tuntum. What must will be the color for pa. Now so in search ye nama. I feel you dark neck. Uko say no. Now you tomb and you was severe dry skin. You was severe oily skin and a damaged skin repair. When it was swasa. A yes Skin City Laboratorium pet and a mecha for the amount. Facial and body waxing. A bab wow. So what Skin City Laboratorium which ya was so Korimampo. Affordable house in Shani Mupe. For 0248936297 0248936297. Oh, but Joe, so I do my phone and him to
Abuziafo da masisa mwatwe ye ade adwadi nkrato aba ha ya agenkwa wazo 1.9 kasafidie so na mamenkan full lufat tablet and then the suspension emfa emawo na bia malaria tudie tetew wonu matu ntumi nidi da bia ho ya hihihie utitwa kakakakaka ana so ko enhwemu ahu de hawo okoye de so ya twimboja ne yeso hweye no eye malaria eye tudie ebunu yade na echewo ebata sa peja woni hwe drugstore over the counter medicine accounted drugstore peja woni hwe pharmacy chemist baby aton dro bia okwa wo pe lufat tablet the empenya dia tum the International Standard Organization ISO for say abibima obi atimi num bi no eno na wohia the free entrance from silicas to binko from silicas no eno na wohia ye beba obi ato open do today ado oni be check you aka ni mrom castle ye ne won na hwe animu anopo be free 0246 45 6718 0246 456718 and also 0540 124852 ofreye nia yabejo so na yahwe aboawo ama yade bia yetete wa ema wo no woni je enwie peyo no yabehwe eye malaria de a wodrum lufa tablet ene no suspension na fofo no gluzi spiritual herbal center ebutu pechi number 2 woboase kwantempo no so wonmu ne waje penia wokwaye mu a ye ka che wo se sunsun femu na femu bibia je asebem bia wo de dan obetu asem 0245 167857 0245 167857 ofre na obeje osum na Mayanko near the Sako de Pepra of the Pombedi, any Kobo, now Yambrana, pay baby out to the Ecoson, Unjafuni and Cherry. Hello, Sako de. Me run a few boko.
After Bagatega,
Meton Capana, me was say fear boko de.
Boko.
Joe, I don't pay for what you did, Ecoso, Madame Jay.
I know about that. Look at a very pure or super. May young tia and la and answer like a class over the pure more super. Figuring and say, Marcy, Casino, not a jar, a hodwa, Mansu, a jar, a woman. That's a penny for so Adiana and Noma a group from Sebit Mabama or Maba a genim. Ama a jar so upon to my place. And it's Nipania Biba. That's a bishop, baby, so Edgar, that's when you papa so Edgar, papa or house or the family and papa. And then 24 after she said, Sepagani is a jetty and so much to them. Then my amount for most of them, or person with Diga, and so I said that they are a Kumasi Jackasim, and she so be the know. There's some CC, market service will be able to be a bit now, Bama, Ubiaso, and Pijabi, a bit maybe now, Pimo, Kumasi Jackasim. And we've been other Pimo, our surprise in a Cobas, and then they are going to follow. Omo pattern and penetration si won be bomo do omo kono ya na idea omo ni nyo e bi su say temporary starter na dia mo na to maka se mususa nti omo no ma se no mo to omo na idea emo omo enfa ntuma inside nti na na pe ba bi pimo ana be pimo ana se wo yoga asem member Joseph Paswa e wa ona ya asem member wo sa precious wa ni ne se ko moto ni bi su sheba no mo ni jadi fonse ya Sami the mobile house actually so much more than I don't know connect a channel. And yes, I need come out to all of them about the present here. So what thing is done property won't call Sana Wakariapam. I'm in Marchi. Mama, I do go from a chief in Yanachi. No much as a trouble, my. Ghana somebody, Sabi, a massive from say. Matches I could do reducing because the January last year, Tom, I can say, be my mobile Musha, Jumaso, Kosugidi. And phase 1 on the Yaya, Yaku phase 2. And phase 2, no, also relocate at 24 no more. And the Yaya is any animal penny in Asia more than 3 times. I relocation be very where some young Tania and the Yen in Navy. I know I hand over. You bet you will be a Dabramano. And it's any more material from here. Was said the phone be say, Omukra machines and Omonia Manson. Now you Kumasi Yam Punchu. And you can relocation. Relocation so near to satisfaction. Said the open say, if you are on your mouth store diamond, you know. You could see diamond found your monk once and your son. To relocation there, in Nayabwa, I will check a cabin. But for some period of time, and you don't know money be back, what you be fee. No, but now for some few months now I can because contractor no by December also handle market near day. Am I? Because on one relocation, there Mama Mutine Muama Akobas walk on who face challenge. Because at the end of the day, no, your relocation in Mamma that will be any anymore. Can you say complain with baby? But you know, assembly tenancy, trade and industry convener, and Asia. That was the 3rd time when they did the Phoenicia. I had a relocation, maybe be a mobile inspection. My boy about to say a perfect mobile. Then you know, my friend, she complain. Not I am more Kaka. In the past, we buy a mobile inspection. Most a relocation come out. A Ghana Koso. Jimmy Nim or more make complain now about Drew Media. We are sure no one the different finish here. Now, money and car marketing and no more coming in Asia. I'm almost on the corner. I think in front of the Majitum on the corner, and Momo, the different French, almost no Moshana. I said, in beginning, it was stick with this. Before the ultimate Fred, before more than 100, you know, so no Mushia. My assassin, you know, meeting a BBR. To every information, Biano. Omo market leaders were omo chama omo secretary obia treasurer omo onje omo ne no omo meeting ya no omo wi a omo ba pass information no to their members sana since last year yesas you know ma communicate ya besi seseme ya ba na bi mu se mo so ya wa we scanner wajibi omo so mo tito mo so ana mutim ana se me mai se mu bogu go ha sky bi amadi ba jina ono susu se wonya ano mo dino ma bi egu akwan se sanso na de ma mo no e bi sky na mutia no ya beti so kakra de ma mo se beti ma bo ma obi a ono so oni se sky no beti nya kwan so tia na se ogo wi mu tu mo kra se mo nya so ni wi a wo mo no musical so na so mo kwa anu anze senior I know they are drinking obi na atan be no wa kire na ade sabi assembly member me kru ni mu na mfiri na bushafo na edi dwa ho no I say o ma wi mu na mpuntu ba ana yese no edosu too much edo wa na akota bi akota say wo na atu gem da ntie be je fun se we si ya ni skenti na ko entisa mutu okra no munzo ma yen hihye ya mo ankasa mo bi ma council mo tu mo susu dada ami assembly member kwa menya we ndi so sa be tena be kwa kasa fu fetro bi se yesi ga be je fun se ma no ko be ni wo o ma na dru bra o se yesi mpuntu ne de no kwedi e dey eye adwuma se bi mi ma be reso bu mi tu obi mfi ya no be ji waja pade nya dey influence no ko ya na mra mo tu abade ma me no bodo ma de se de tu manim se idwa mo timonye ye hwe ni sisi mamu edi ho dwuma ekofa nsem bibri ye dane no politics na me adum asumbia ba yesiga no yesiria as an assembly member yani kiyemi ibe situ say obi a udi ombia no ye do de bema in the course of registration no your registration e do obi a ID card amano so what shows say we obi be akwa say obi bentina abwaso ajene bagwa no yin nyatintin enyen se kiyemi omutuma na central market na new market na kwa yin se be nya bi so onya ni sika so no so kama te pan to ade ntina jize obi obi penti ama munum shisho ani ntina ma omo so bi aba public domain say penifon can be more and yesterday room be no be kona no crazy but you can't compare KDTR market with Superbo Crew market. The number of people are Superbo Crew market, you know. My stores are yes, you know, times 3 the number of people are. And so what should say Ubi Kojun so influence. Many been to drink common answer almost any other other side.
Okay, you want to
wakari gino bamene mani bine nanti ni bisu komo aso mo ni abre ha bi ehwe sede maame fo no so no ebeka enso ede apa maame nhwe ide ya me asemi na echo enkomo ewo hai ebi se mo ni abre amoso mo kamo so start of the story senate ti ya asemi ma no aka o ya tuga se aso no mo atra se ti sai maame ti sai asemi ma no mo atra se
do mi na ndete o ma kene e ba bi shen asa o mbe pere bi am ya kwanza no mo bu market na wan ba o mu je shen no mo se ad no mo ya me no ma yin secure o ka pete be wa bo no ni tie su bi e wa ko so ye ne e o to ko fo no ma mo su na to pam ko fo no ma e bi ju e test me ade o mo si si ade no ko sha ade no wo no se tim ba ko ka betimi asimu a amani pa ko trema oko sha ade no ma ye no no e so an ka fo no se sha no ma ya ma la se na to Ghana no bi ati do no so no wudi wo ya ade na me de e project na wo ya me ne ba no se se ya ade so ni ko ma tene face situation ma ne nem de se wu tu ate an ko se na se yan kwai e je so so ma ba mo ka me ne no mo pinya ade na ma ya no mo nye ni ye mo nye ni situation beti ga ko trem ame yan wa to ye ne I come to more can.
Again, about touch na network so mame na say oka oja kwado enye so oja kwado de body a never say ukotu except for BBC ofichi ndi oja ni hupe na say obetime raso TV na say kwado so na ejan na mosumo kan ya fahu
yo dia ne so me kan say ye di kan ya friend say wa bonsu dia me so me kan say e fa na wo mo si no e ho na mewo ana na space wa afia ha omo se ya metna ha na so omo wie ho no a e de no e ya credit facility ani e betuatua enti no omo ma ya move akọ ho ni e tuatua Woman, we and all my sons are mobile. It's not some kind of somebody have the mind. Yes, here by her. I said, your move say, move for one my, more quack ye be my. Back to John Cordon. John Cordon, the meaning say, with Yambu, Yaboboni at the Tabu Bomo. And not yet, only about it. Yeah, it's a classic. John Cordon put to feature. To join who other Pasu, or we have by our suit, just to make the person John Cordon. Ah, you. They didn't say Yambu, Yabobo. It's when I am one of the can't sign. Now, the bomb from a bin or more the aboho. And one time, and can to say them a brap and indeed can't. Said your Mayan. Me do not come sources here. No one can say. Send your man was to what is see a crime. A bit me alcohol. Now do we near ships? But I say, it is so say, Abia. Omu stores na ABS Canada Harry omu sales can be contract in na omu de enya ni slow na kama je ne say yes yes as a high end me for high be ko tua sika wo store fufuo ana ya kwa akɔhye ho adenti na mo ma ye ntua sika ne mamo na boss na ma ye no amu fanye gate ento ano tu se che o mabuka kamo de ye wo stores ni mu na kamo ye gate tu ano na nke ye tim na ye tua. They say no, what am I? Stop, lady, said you say, I mean, your honor. And to me, my barber, you say, they say, and come to my cafe, one, or move your room when you move to come. Pepper, John Mocano. Oh, money a kind. So, you near what's the one. Expensive, you may shim. If you near what happened, that brand will have it. And I bet you shame. Oh, that brand that's your hand, and I buy the shim. I want your team say, movie ha, Mobama Yakum, and so mamma yam. I know about Senator as you had said, the following patches head. Say, and follow no man, and walk on swap. I say, we took your security. Now, first face, what first face, no, or movie, was it a movie that come with your question? Now, can I have Mamma do a winner come with second face? One more year second face, 1 more year first face. It moves out the board or more corner or more time. If you're about so that there be our kind Kobe beneath it, so that be a kind of Jimino, you bet you are with there. If you ask the query, it's my first, I say, it is a son of our castle Kobe beneath, or when you have with the moment. I was so to me, and ya about at the Maya pan. At the end, I want my yanady. Oh, my yadi. It's the idea, your person, Stossel. The wolf hand, you do all my casting. But I don't know woman flow. I have no woman flow. Almost for my end. So I'm cutting any face to crying your moon. Ye bay, near Quacksham, dance, a patana or my bon. Who we are young corner coshabo. Young Coham is told, send your money become nine a patana moon to Nakore. I hear about the mentality to go with me.
Most are quite dear, now Yatenica say, your best penny for. First face moon, second face moon, what you say, Jay Fuintu, a fan walker, maybe I'm do my coso and said that I'm warm. But I am maso. Now, Yenin Como, your name, Yera, Gabe, Jabril, Madi, Mohammed, Kwaku Din Como, or no NDC. I may chrono commissioner Wapao, say, Wana, Opeso to Franca, Edema NDC. I may chrono, Wamko Francatano. Commission would do Tintimapa. Ye corny and Nedin Comonia Busanse so far. Silence is Shannon as Yako. A woman said 1 moon, said the Econo, one more abojoso, now the Quanswanum. Mira, Jebre, Mohammed, Madi, Wotimenka, Memoate, and Wakwaba. About him, 101 Ponak as a video so as Antimantum Kumasiakra. Mira, now, if you ever called here.
I never can open you.
You, yet as a son of Pensuya to suffer what ye swore. Amanoba, a better like a cranny, and this in pennyform, but two just move be a queen out to war. Now will be a war papa, one is what you so be D and this and be queen to Franca, and in Pesua would also one war papa, so be D, Pesua would also when him similar to Jafono, one coffee, one cata. Na Commissioner Wapano. Would you tintimapa? Ye bisase so far. You made a free and run one. Mosasiano say an aqua could do the passembo and Abe Fancata, Titu, Faberaship, afternoon.
You know, medical, I'm afraid, ma
looking forward until my elections committee for the primaries organizing a plan for the presidential and parliamentary elections for the 2023 elections. And I'm going to start the Juma. The nomination, I'm a presidential candidate, any parliamentary candidate across the country. Now, Juma AD will headquarters, and it's a for presidential primaries. I'm going to form forms for the headquarters. And then, and that is Indra, and then any Ochina and a baby Jumano. It may be starting from 9. Now, you're 5 p.m. every day. And I do me fiada and a baby Juma. Now, Andrea, I say, no, the men are NDC for other PK forms in Ra. Every time a year or Mantini that John Dramani Mahama, the PK forms, and Yenya Ernest, so other PK forms. I don't know could you go to the PK forms. In this way, showing him the original PK form, even though committee in the you say before all PK forms in there because of trails of form in there. Apart from only the Obian trails of forms and the Anatorchina. And they share Dr. Dufoy so the forms on the pay and
Yo, yeah, Madi, yeah, ready say. So far, any part of do say, and a one major penny say. 1 franc and answer 1 by a flag bearer at the Ama NDC. So far, you won't say me and San Abba and a Dr. Dufo so sing there and Wabeba. And I say, Munya Muni Padu on this area exercise in Yako, we answer.
What fire party she share? And from speaking Ankasaka and Chile say we are candidate of the party. Indeed, the Papa Mudia Nankavaka amount for 80 forms. Come let me see we muna ejina ama party no and we go back of the TV ya approve say obetime jina o na bet like say you want to be no mensa ana back and na for the elections you know but say dey obi have to make a case form and then say we are candidate our party no it is but like that amount of forms but what matter say nipa say and for elections dey this is a better answer.
Joe, maybe Ryan said the same. More number beer, a beer, or more picky forms new year. Now, I'm converting one. Move to me as soon as so. I bet you certain number. Say, be a penny palm, ye penny palm, ye penny palm 9. More, sir, you know, our home, as you say, no.
The party, the sound is no a party in Ramo. Their party this year, they do have a picky form. If you nomination a very bad new year, let's start the Banana and the elections. And it's about one, about an airport. Can they do an alpha form and I can go through the vetting process about only now for the main elections. You need elections of the candidate and the coming elections. You need a party in Ramon.
Mo yara yadase eni chechemu a wode amaye yenhwe ni senhwe ebinu mo keka se minim se committee no na mutu sa na moya sike adaso se bia obi person ye fra bearer wo betua obe pick forms eni se or submit ya sike obetua no ebi che sa se sike no so titu mu colleague the other side me can say MPP phone bi che say mo sori a mo say asete mo edin sika ni ho sika no such colossal amount of money no mo che say do so do won wa ya edinti e da mo twa sika
me say o ka say ye duano mo on the opposite side at the MPP e ka say identity e to nyama mo sa no na ya ka say amamo bonia amudia mo man entina ateresa obi say almost last 4 years A4 paper rim back here say rim is only just about 10 cities last 4 years amamo boni in there the same rim of the paper now here printed there I don't know is almost 55 cities. And it's Nanado and a committee member. Now, already 5 cities, now, A4 is 10 cities. And there are serious issues, so I don't want MPP concept to public assembly. And she share a party now, to run the party.
Are you saying, sir, and no more dinner, inflation cost and Yaka Hubi, and Amamudi and Matumusa, because then another Uncle Gufado, and Amamua, and Umemoya dinner, if you have a Camudi and one.
You say, O man of Ghana, I am going to cafe for annual party activities.
Samimpa.
And to say, a party in a election. They better A4 people, a better floor, a better electricity bill. And now do have my dinner cost for no. Nanka has some and I said the representation.
And this has done well been with the boss and no man who blood wrong.
How can I electoral commission and now do I think about the year and now do almost 100,000 electoral commission has not got about. Okay.
Pa.
Now, electoral commission and now go to Piano Carter won't here because of a dinner boarding. Who knows how much to answer?
And you say, no, Muniano Casa and some number to tear. I am no more fun to say.
Oh, there is a contest in Amoriente.
Samu.
Oh, my break. I'm going to open nomination, say, to keep on. Not part of the press conference. Candidates are put here. Although we need elections. I have contest in Amoria. Many or many in the break. The party organizing a primary state party. Yet the IHC saying a big media party now running party Juma. Party for outside domination said you to mistake, saying a bit in our work near the IS. Yeah, at the Accord in year. You do your man to rank up the election, the electoral commission. What matter says because of phenomenon to do Obama form is free, I don't know. Just as yet. I see over 2020 election. Election commission already 100,000. Well, what did you? Well, see, now they are mind born in anything and not Yamabu into the Omudi Sassicano, and I won't die. It is electoral commission, Akasa. There's a better Yamada running elections there, yeah. No, MPP come concert. I will say no main come out of Mancatende.
Me Ramadi, so far, baby, a process na Babe Bruno, be a munya achieve 100% ya. Obakan say a yanisa.
What is a 100% of what?
They say process here, Masha, see a man for picket from C. Say bia munya numu buta ya hoa, baby a mobile tree, a mujudi say, my boy Juma, a year.
Oh, now then I put anything we must keep from the election. The elections are not able to, you know. And who will see at the process, then after the process. After yesterday, so who value yesterday, in fact, me start perform, 100% yesterday, but you didn't quantify the percentage, this is elections, you know. And you need to say, you need 5, 10, and then I understand. On the 13th May, the candidate will lead this year. Amagana for Abamano. Next year, when streets are among born in Ayomu and now the woman and the president of a demonstration of my NC will be, you know. That is what you are thinking about. That is the which I always hear in your age.
Mura Jibril Madi Muhammad, and I don't pay at FM. A better see a ton suffer 1 year so. Watch it, yeah, anymore. Bibini and Tiasia, I have you promise, you best about it.
In other matter, your committee need a available mammo. The Munya Muki Zambia, the Moon to some committee members, you know. Then your more say. Now, Mamma, I contact MPP for issues, running their issues in my head. Especially our chairman of the committee, Katra Isabwa. We are always available to listen to you.
And yes, we are from one, young fat, Nayankomo.
Oh, me, now the name MPP4. your phone de bia no ready for
na we fa Koko si na ne na MPP for so
me say I will be no o say frey ya and I say subana and tisa nanado we engage, we communicate because we believe it says stakeholders are very important. Yet for
that is MPP for home so wo so fa wo ma wo mfa
nantande ye ko IMF amo so mo nkono
o mu ti obia
ana sa wa ko ta se mo na mu ti obia na o de ho mo le to se nia
mo yewra ye feda se anope Abusiafo Gabriel Madi Mohammed was Deputy National Youth Organizer. One on the National Election Committee ya NDC for no pow say one opeso 2 franca one hwese no emu ba ko eno no ene ye ko wono mo che ene wono mo ni nukodi nkomo o si so far Kojobonsu afane de Don Dramani Mahama aka mampani afane de ena one earnest biso ono so akwa akofane de na ye hwe ni mu se Dr. Kwabnado for obeko na akofane de o ka se na nkru nondu na wakwa akofa ye besa akọ se de nura ne mpanifo no bidi nkomodom na mamenko na mefa wo de die nkratu emfa ma Agnes Sewa Nyako Agnes Sewa Nyako wone ne ba ye fe no Elon Kwame Bopie ene eyemo awoda na yesre Nyankopon bambo ne kese yo e de mamo sade amuye bia nyame emanu enye yie eti Agnes Wenyako a ene woni oba Elon Kwame Bopie mudima awoda we free eye mo papa mo nana onyamfo Daniel Nyako ene nebusua Daniel Nyako ene nebusua no se Agnes Wenyako no ba Elon Kwame Bopie we say mo happy birthday aya jenkwa 101.9 kasafidie so ya na ye ho na ye ba ye ne ewura no nsi nkonwa na ye ni nkomo ene ensem ewo ho epa na ntempa so miracle fi a Japan won ho kasa de ma NPP amekwe no o deputy organizer kwa Abre East abato empesua no so na osum watrasi de ma me kwade nchen na me ma no wache ma no kwaba musa ne se fie mpo etise Japan fie boko de
erade adom aduana ba quick one menya ekwayi de na ma me fa so na me kai Konongo Odumase Senior High School.
Okay.
All student bia. Said ye hotedi nti ene yesi enuanom.
Enuanom. Okay.
Me adoma free ochina ne memenda ne kwesi ada. Eye brefie.
Okay.
Se ye nyina obi a wo fa Konongo Odumase Senior High School ye braso se ye kofie.
Okay.
Na ye infia duoson afinshi ada no.
Wow.
Ye nyina ye kokabom na yedi. Na sabre ya so be ya kwanya ye de bedwindwini school no enkankro eni nimpuntu ehu nti me fa kwanya isu na matom nsa frɛ Konongo Odumase old student bia ayo sai homra ne se enuanom no ade so banu ye no se nyame ya adoma ye momodi na ye mrafie na ye nkodwindwini school no enkankro.
Okay, bebe fie na kwa East ye boko de
Erade adom kwa East boko NPP amanyuko no mboko Ashanti region aye boko.
Okay.
Na mi wo NPP mu ide na me nkochia me wofa rempemu asiedu chairman ode ne ho kwaku apia.
Okay.
Ohia ampesue ya me woso yi mo ne no na ebohye afija kwa Abre Sam former chairman. Ono aso na say chairman of chairman edema all the constituency chairpersons Ashanti region enti chairman ode ne ho kwaku apia ene anopai baabi a wo bia mechiawo na mesere Nyankopon hira ne bambo so edema ene MPP mpanyimfo ewo Asante region ha say ya chairman wuntumi edi wo manim so mechiawo bibia
jo make out say aya jenkwa 101.9 yes to me live away in Facebook page so Ajenkwa FM Kumasi 101.9 Ajenkwa FM Kumasi 101.9 YouTube Ajenkwa FM live YouTube Ajenkwa FM live okwa obe like obe share no comment if you see nya bete someone also ode aba na beka o se anope yewura na so garden boy okasa de ma NDC a so watrans ye hwe animu se Abdul Salam Isa ono ye trofo panyi de ma CPP amiku no onso baba beka ye ho anope ameya so garden boy
ejana ba
akura fie boko de
enko pande me be de nyame ase anope me jidi se o so ye anope
o se me hu we say ni de
eye ni de enko
sa se koyie
ekufa do amomu yi ejana ba yewon queen de nyame ase sanka ekufa nko ado ne MPP fo nko na ye ni da omodi ankasa bi na ye na egutafo semetuo
garden boy se de waya wa nyankopon sisi wa
ejana be ase bi di e mi di esao
oh enipa ni ya o
ya
edu ba bia appearance kwa mo hu za bla we sister we no mo kwamfa
oh
yes
can you be see was it when se mizira wa ase maye krate si edu nketia now so enya san so ejana se opposition no the party so opposition dia you crack kakra no kra na ya ekum yeah because as the communication officer for whole constituency obey initiatives obey programs if you obey it comes at the back of cost and no cry no so party no so any power constituency no so any ska you have to devise strategies ways how be to generate edia enti opposition kwan dem almost like pressure nkwa me ni mebia ye ba power nyoma be society e bonya nkwa
bia mo ba power nyoma be sa sa pepepe ye nhwe na garden boy
ejana ba
sa okay yewura o se chairman sabonsu o se
de ni kwanya no
o se Ghana baby aye duru no Ghana constitution ehiansa kiraye yensesemu na me de me wo kan ye no me nkoa me dwens me susu se ana amadwemu de enya de ye besesa ne asesa ne kina sansa amayofo no ankasa yewura Martin Pegu ama reasons ntia yentumi nsisa with the exception of former president Professor John Evans Atamels otu anamo bie wo mu o makani nyina no o mo bo mu sankwan wo ho na nka aduane ba ko wudi a da bia wudi aduane ya na yofuni oya na wapa awi bia no na ate akwakoda tikoda ya na sa aduane kro no no asa atonsa ne de abro aduane ba ko pa Ghana yete ho a obi akra ya wo ne nye ne kro anim se constitution no ehiansa chaye ya kan etimi je minim se we dum nya no na ebra Ghana mrahye bedwa no ye shemu for republic enfinhye aduasa enie edu sa dia ye shefa sa no dia kasa ne bibi so enkunkusi hwe oni ye ro se chairman sabonsu ya adwen wo se bless sa e bre kwa nanim onka se constitution no enye bi ma Ghana aye bi na mum si ekwa anim no die
ejana ba mamenda wase na mencheti for monyabre eti fidikese ajenkwa 101.9 so na mefa kwenya we ntia me constituency executive from a chairman Faisal Dawood concern ebepem secretary Mugis Madi ni deputy Marwan me to organize alaja banding deputy Suarez me chair the leadership of the NDC so as constituency noted to the current member of parliament Honorable Monteka Mubarak and the entire branch executives of Manyabre 80 and Profi the case Joko 101.9 so Ghana Ghana democracy Ghana's parliamentary practice Eddie 30 years now during one of the occasions I celebrated this parliamentary occasions now you say Chairman Sabonsu Swami ha member of parliament or no as soon as I majority leader and the minister for government affairs in parliament ready to just say onu anka ni susu ye mu hu se anka wo se Ghana constitution ye nsakraye ewu na most of the times na some na okano odika Ghana ba say na be bon kompo abafom abetieti de wo Ghana for dodo na ano na de betene say Ghana constitution eyedem ehia nsakrai na so nsakrai be na eyedem ehia I'm speaking as an individual, not from the angle of the NDC party.
Okay.
Yeah, because as a party, they are all power in 2011, 2012. We saw the efforts the then president, former the late Tamus Eyeye, of forming the Constitutional Review Committee. Now Mr. Tuguba and almost secretary. Now their recommendations now on the the administration of John Dramani Mahama Entima Paul Libi Fofian Twatana NDC free akonyaso. Now the Danko Kufaso so a buyer on also one uphold the recommendations of that committee now you set it up. That's the angle of the party NDC. And it's say on any day the party National Democratic Congress welcome the news say I was said Ghana constitution them. But before say you better talk much about Ghana's constitution, we have to understand say constitution didn't crown into force Ghana said this is the most successful Ghana's constitution I ever Ghana AUC.
Okay.
This is the constitution that may produce more than 2 presidents. This is the constitution that may democratic stability. Political violence in the last 20 to 30 years. It means that there is something good in the 1992 constitution. We have preceding constitutions. The first Republic of Kwame Nkrumah had the first constitution. It was deposed after the coup of 1966.
Okay.
Now, the National Liberation Council by a free famo. Almost did the second after free famo. Kotokamo kuno ewiye no almost stabilize Ghana Ghana second republic and the Bujia the second republic constitution and also antentam and so na no so yede and also ku Bujia ku so ba na Bujia so Africa konyaso ye benya moments of instability moments of military ruler soldier for ADS we na ba PNDC so ebai until we have constitutions do na mu bie no atima producer their friends say 2 presidents mpoda this is this 1992 constitution and on kwa or share interdia from say democratic what practice ye kabiman kimen kabinti 1992 and on kwa ni don constitution asabi etima my a president in JJ Rawlings etima my a president in John Ajikun Kufuor etima my president in Atamos and John Dramani Mahama as etima my a president in what in President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. And we are hoping say it means that there is some elements of stability and development in what? In that constitution. Because I say, the fact that this constitution, 1992, sustain till this fine, not just said, advantage. Now, so disadvantages in the also be brave. Disadvantages are a woman. Do one Ghana phone and a better constitution on the Casa Yenya de Yenya Sacrayo. Near Dick kind of Janaba Ghana ni Bia Busano, Shiana Busana say, Dear Pono, who's in your 1992 constitution. Also, I dare Dick Albacato and Article 71. Yeah. Ghana ni Bia Bushian Bia. Article 71. Yeah. Because of constitution a Kenya. The provisions are yet appointed authorities under Article 71. Be it a former Supreme Court judge, be it a former president, or be it a former justice of the Supreme Court, Electoral Commission boss, various statutory body heads, and all idea. You retire as what? As an Article 71 holder. Or you retire on your salaries. Akatriana Ojeno. And also, I know what's retire. Yes, somehow S gratia lump sum, Yakikaman now was 7. As somehow S gratia boom at the account. You real minus Besama accommodation, baby, or better completely. You real sir, or mine now so Besama of security details. Or mine now so Besama of car. Obukra or up, Nipna by Bakunya appointed 4 years. abane free akuyanso akọ retirement also we are 75 one older obedi omanim kofesa kopim so obedi obewu any adwene ni nyansa enye dem emfa because we presume say whenever a government gives you appointment so we are justice of the Supreme Court and I say we electoral commission and I say Suraj Boss and I say former president we assume say it's a civil service and there is no dispensation, no discrepancy, difference be a say we are bosses of this Article 71 whole day. Doctor or work on for not a yejuma. Now you are into public service. There is no difference between Article 71 holder or 7 in my any nurse need teacher near or classroom no hospital a yejuma. Okay. You now you was at what? Office public office holders. Now to why say Bako ko pensioner or mine be na kopim so bewu or mine so besa retiring on the salary so or mine so besa bon no ka ni security na dua na obedi ne ka ni bibia kopim so bewu na the other one na there or ko pensioner ye de na koto 1.2 need 1.3 million all city so say boso me onje fani ye de NDD as what as a pensioner and to asumu and if all of us get to understand the fact say Nina a public and active service and must be considered say when you are going into retirement you don't retire on your salaries but you retire based on the contributions at what year at the amount of social security service which is Senate. Okay. Then Senate take over because we live in an era where public person a break yeniska. Now look at the number of people as omuye former government appointees omuye Article 71 holders. Omu salaries, emolument, allowances nkuano. It's not easy. Okay. Busume bako ye ka omu na boma. Omu busume bako beti mesi classroom ewo baby. Hey enwe ya enya tamal teaching hospital na esi ni pa 5 we oxygen anyway. Article 71 holders omu retire Ghana omu da omu salaries no. Yeke omu numbers aboma e beto say na no kwanhwe kra be sa to teacher hospital no mpo account. Yeah. Now so why are we doing this to ourselves?
Anu na mimi bisa say aduane ba ku wudi ade bia ye fun oya. Na ya pa drama. O ye fun dwo wa na osakodi aduane kro no a. Okoka Ghana constitution CS system a omu so enya force anyamnyamnyamnya sa eye ye the word bia be so say eye entrenched.
Entina
I know the yen fiance nka wo be so do saka this sabi mpabia common sense tira wo say da bia wudi banku obenya problem da bia wudi banku obenya problem wudi da bia wo say once ya eya buru nko ade wo be di ni sa anu bi na say yete hu yo
on say it all comes to leadership
na mo ka Ghana for ka yes say a entrench.
Yeah, also it all comes to it all comes to what leadership. And leadership now it all comes to know. We need a political will from a president. I think say Atamos show that will no. Or try say he was ready to review the constitution. He set up a committee. That's why the subsequent government buy Myanmar buy of John Dramani Mahama count, and then another done quick for those account. And we
na mo bode na utum futu ogu Ghana for any
so me
na Ghana for any
me so my humble opinion what I think is NDC a grassroots party. So NDC say formulate a manifesto promises. Mostly we write to the constituency heads. Say constituency heads in the anchor form. And quote what changes and answer what input and almost person to NDC constitution. It done about me what I say as well as a drew say trade the office of NDC. As well as constituency we are calling for the review, the entire review of the 1992 constitution because Edikam, though it is progressive in development, but it sinks the public purse. And that is one. Secondly, it enriches some people be as Emma Ebimuska, na ama Ebimuaya the I am marginalized. I didn't think America. The 1992 constitution is was saying a woman say ebo ye Ghana for you now humbai. Now so it is too much concentrated with what? With executive powers. President no what too much per the constitution. BBR president, BBR executive authority. So where lies the power of decentralization here? But Adrian Ponswa almost executive power to do in that constitution is a Nipane no a military ruler. So he needed a bit of some security in the constitution. Sebea ono say ye dey
na when you obi
and the general is
anybody ho when you nature say musumo hu sa dodode wo ho
bibi wo ho what I said John ekoye ni me say constitution na be ka say 2/3 of ministerial appointees minister appointees must come from parliament. No, I think say any adjoin and modern tenet of dynamic democracy.
I don't know lawyer if you are bochi so ka ho asem no
because ya to nipa no begina say ento no so aba na onko parliament as member of parliament to represent his constituents. Okodru parliament no constitution say wo hu akunya say we as member as minister. Yet the ministerial appointment in a man, no, mostly about 90 to 95% of them, no, omuja omu MPship, MP adwuma to no more ministerial job, no. And you are representing a large number of what constituents. Omu seeking say their views must be heard through you as a member of parliament. Ukodu on the constitution they say ya appoint to as minister ya appoint to minister o constituency adwuma kwa onye de unya wonam na wo ministerial job. I think say any adwene modern democracy na ye de emfa enka in the previous years 92 no ebi at that time the dynamics and the trends was different.
Okay.
But and the modern development, modern scientific development, politics is dynamic. As this goes by, no, it's a sacred ever politism. A producer Ben Sakrai say, if you are a member of parliament, your job is to concentrate on legislation. Not to go and lobby say be a member of what parliament. You're a member of minister. You're minister no so we na. O salary no so mo MP ministers no. O mo salaries no e was stretch o mo ministers no. To whose disadvantage? To the disadvantage of the public purse. Because this money MPSI minister, the salaries na nye say e double banso e was okay. E tell obi a we minister kwa onye MP. It is a bread say it was said yes said bibia constitution no. This provisions are actually president must appoint 2/3 of his ministers at parliament. It was said and no said Jessica lastly Janaba Adeba most people say yes was constitution the provisions in the section I think 35(7) are August as far as practicable. Every government be a obeba akonya so no. The preceding government na etwam no aye no the infrastructure development no onto also. I think said this provision no anka ye entrench mo ma.
One was a way entrench no. Now take 71 no.
Anka one ye entrench a. Anka ene se wo original hospital anka ye wie meboa.
Yes.
Anka ene affordable houses edinam wurem anka ye wie.
Yes. Because they say agenda 111 aba.
Agenda 111.
Agenda 111. One hwe ya aba won tumi nwie. Say the no siki ka ko won tumi. Say one wie you never be obeba be take ana wo to aso no. One hwe ya won beba meba. Won ko ho no so ko fa. Be fufu di aba na agenda 111 na ka blom. E di sa ba bi a wo kan won wo say yan trend.
That provision no.
It is a obi be ya ade ni woni ho a wo ba wo say ma
show what to aso
krono nti
na so problem pay bia ba
say sika die bo ni nti obi aba no ye de
no ye ne ope no so akofa development for Friday aba say ye dem yen to aso nti I think say there o say men sabon say kai no me ni me ya 100% and these are my reasons are masculinity
and this time ye nya ntem mamenko miracle fi Japan ehɔ na wonso yentie no de wo ka akra yentie we
aduana ba mechia watiefo ne wahwefo nyina na machia kwa Breeze constituency Emenina. Any one waji bre, any adaji 80 ye. Edianaba, Asema, the leader of government business. Honorable Osechi Mensa Bonsu. Ekan. Eyene kwaswano.
Okay.
Na menene ya adwene accounting for the umutiminya more than 100%. Nti menene ya adwene 1000%. Na ma mentinti hu bin free o. Ubo ni Diana Garden Boys de ne kwai nye no. The leader oni kwai.
Okay.
Nemu owo mpesu a ohweso. Ne nyankopon ne na nado danko akufo ado adawroma. Ope Ghana ha constituencies a umanya akwai pa untimi nyi Swami constituency.
Embonye.
Yes. Yes.
Embonye.
Yes. Ene kwai bebre eto de bo na me fa hakura na na ye me nwanwa. Say kwai bebre na enye remotable no na enye pineable no ene within Swami constituency metima bobo bebre be ya ye ho adwuma.
Okay.
Said ya wo ka se mponie no menka se ya ye ni nyina etiefo ntie me ye menka se ya ye ni nyina na emom kwai bebre be no ya ye ama ne Swami constituency unamu a oso ohun eto na emom de ye sere ne se me baby a ha me pa ye the magazine proper ye ka magazine proper how de kamia ye se wo fa ekwaya ye free asieye ho ebe wura mu o garages wona ekwai bi ewo bia no wo ka na se na wo sa di ko fitamu no unkodru shop ho no
na sa se
mo enti ho no so ya ye the residential areas no dodo na no ye ntwa ya ni hwe the magazine proper.
Okay.
Me reason nyina ne say sika free ho ba no ema ye de boa wo man ne kekere ye ne mpuntu no enya asem ketwa
sika free ho ba on
merci
sika free ho ba
oya busa the finance expert sika free ho ba no ema ye de boa wo man ne kekere ye ne mpuntu no
magazine fotua to
Swami magazine
obutua to
me kam kire
eno wa so piti kura bu nko biye ma wo mu
enu tina me ka se yenti ani nya dai enhwe wo mu
okay
yes yenti ani enhwe wo
yo yate
the call to review the 1992 constitution ye kan ne bi de bonsafo hene na de ende ye aduana ba ka ye boye asoman edited the constitution review committee adwuma wo mu ye because I quite remember so we the letter crumple by a church seeking for our views on some provisions in the constituency. Na e baye na omampanyini dada Mills ani swadi hunu e de baye na report to da ho de ye me yawo mu ni say na nya omampanyini dada President Mills and as a Professor Mills e da ye sun na ye NDC as a political party it was in their 208 manifesto na wo mu 2008 manifesto no as a brebi omu di bo mu hu safo hene do enya nokre ye hihye constitution no MPP for si hu hia ye na ye constitution no anso omu timi di bo mu hu safo hene na munya ni so ade hunu se wo se ye ensesaye bi ye den ewom na ye take commission na commission dey report to buy e wo se dey report no ko parliament na ba bia e wo se ye referendum no ye ma electoral commission ye referendum na report no academ report academ nyina ne say the constitution review committee no edi wo mu nsa koka article 71 sa obekaya referendum committee ana omampanyini tie ese wo mu article 71 holders aketua eno tambia a delay enti ama yanya bibia ye friend S Gracia ne anya sika bia da ba bia ye kofa am obi o but the woman say obi sabre obi serve as a chief justice emremu no e wo se nka o mampanyini ne azumi power in 2021 na no otisa committee no mu hwe akatua wo se de be ma wo mo a omu benya akwanya asevo e wo na aban nanso de akwa ne se aban ne bekwa no atisa committee no eti sempo yeto aba na wanya committee report no be ba no na baba beto the next government dey eba eno no na nhyehyɛ ne se satem na beba se bi ayento judges akatuam by 2% by 10% by 30% no satem no na bi kura wa serve ayedey awie eno nti sena enene appointed na enkosi se sa committee ni be wie na adwuma no sika na o se de kana katua ho yem fama ne no ne S Gracia
okay
S Gracia ne an ye kan sa wo serve wie a na ska bi ne de ma da bi eye wa katua ntomu a na o se nka wo enjoy na enhihye bi nti wantima enjoy no ni aka bom ne de ayedey ne de amam eti say we member of parliament
eti sa katua ntomu no ananka o ka ho asem sisi yetimi di bi ma bia civil servant need say ajejefo
yes
nurse for
yes
any umuma yetimi di bi sa ma wo mo
term no ya na edifa with article 71 o man name as S Gracia but over the civil servant aye name no arrears say what you say
okay
we have single span salary structure started say adwuma departments a wo man koso entem no ye calculate tama single span salary structure ne ye adwuma na ye tua difference no edema o mo ye ne term no as arrears when it come to civil servant but say about article 71 holders na o mu ne friend S Gracia na dia na o mu ni say abre bia na article 71 holders no esan say o mu increment ne 4 years no eba boom uba we say bia ye nto o market to maybe 70% 60% eya na nti wan hye ba ho ba e bia we civil servant a why enjoy 50
am 4%
that be ana make can be first year no why enjoy 15 why enjoy 4 why enjoy 30 year ba
it ka bom 4 years no 4 years no wait me na be percentage wise wait me na be
say 40 45 50 do ya na nuru article 71 holders no
utimo mutimi nya 50% wo ka 4 years
ni no ya mo 30% increment who tell them chere
yeah
2001 15% be by and 2021 and 2022 I think it was 6% it would like can we no crampo 2024 the mi say what the metro but how many every year e be okura within a year and about twice say what you say
twice na ba no and obi die no e ba 4 year you know we community
we den article 71 holders esun the civil servant
okay that is
but the man the constitution review committee report to card them on say they touch the article 71 ama okoka say enyo mampanyini na was a set committee a be hwehwe an appointment na appointees aketuam nemo yen set an independent committee
Ghana we independent committee wa
yen fan say electoral commission no matter who government a wo beba no until say wo benya tansa bi dia bo wo mo anase mpanyimfo no they still work as electoral commission eno na ma eye afarijan onimonyamfo otimi serve and impo three government say what you say na wo mu no enhwa aketuantum na mpo omu no so hwa omu review mpo civil servant there say what you say eno the main reason amana academy and two na constitution review committee report no touch on the absolute powers of the executive unim say Ghana to me be as executive
yeah
to me be a supreme court judge say we na say executive hwe na de wonya enya abai ba ku o yetimi pentansa bi ne de ajuwa firi ho ne de fofora ye dey aba sa abai bi aba ye hu judges a empo ye promote wo to the extent say empo the security services ni ye hu o ma ye dey ye promote them because the constitution gives absolute power to the executive and also na nke baba abete so na the omisa committee ni wie ni report no ye the bra executive executive ni hwe mu wie o se nko mu de parliament na aduana ba ye ntotuo mfa nkoto ye tamfo dem
afford bebo
enunti enene ama eye onimonyamfo chairman sabonsu o say make this call 1992 constitution na kasa se wo kaya under the prerogative no was say after 10 years no makwai say emraku nyini na ye nye dey ye review nyoma bi ye dey
na 30 years
say what you say and they say ana me kai na I think article 35 cross section 1 and 2 can be say wa empo soja abai AFC ni ade CZ we japade anu bibia no under the 1992 constitution no it still remains with the government.
Okay,
sadie we na agenkwa FM ni wura abokai na ebia soja abai ege de ma abaya adenti na mra edika bi ma menka bi eba no esa abehye saade ni mu kena se enwa abai ho abai bia ni ho a obetima ba beten ni ede ayede ede amawo enso na ye wa japade o yenim de course wo mamu ase entimi de a good call but baby amenti ase ni say esa free sa politicians in wa na eyede eba because
it can one enka
series of politicians aye samioma we am making this call to understand say bikura to hu anamon e ma oban no bo ka twitwiri die ediana ba ekosi sei
he say wusu say he for nkenka ho ase
it's about time
nananom
it's about time
the clergy
timamufu a omufre the ordinary citizen meba ye ka anza wo kana nananom anza wo ka
clergy say there's a certain provision or here your friend entrenched yenko ho ye di nkomo ofidue mu de
entrench no aduana ba
ye anabu say nipa na ye
emra no ye ma nipa
ade no ya ma nipa no ebu nu komu no so sesa no ye
madam Fubi Opoku champion o landing sesi a o SDA ni ne duru SDA okwa yie eduru memenda okwa yie o de kakra kana no se bi o repreko ni ade
na
ubusana na SDA ni na ye we o se be enipa ntini ye hyehye homeda nya homeda ntini ye nipa se wat ase homeda na se me repreko na me kon da amenye na asema o kanu no enipa ntini ye hyehye sa amraku nyini we enti what is entrenched what is entrenched
anu ba mudi ane bukata ya bem
sa entrenched no ema wo mu define that entrenched position no eye more human than others but you see we are all equal
before the law enya no kre
edi ebenti na mrabaji atum se wo bedu o man no so aso man panyini wa ye di tumi nyina abehye wo nsa no na bibi kwache wo wa yi hu a ye wo bre wo so o man ne de ye dey edi hwehwe wo nsem se bre ni twama fa ho kodi meanwhile no the same constitution say crime of a citizen has no expiring date. It is a Diana Basabi me makoku obi 50 years ago. Ne hwehwemu be there di semi na mikuni pakra. Yetimi de me court dia 70 say de mikuni ne. Na emo omampanyini ne de ofura ba anya no so a I think say 10 years me wa. 10 years no. Gentleman ni na asema after 10 years no obi antimi.
Na omampanyini be kwa da wo Ghana ha. Court be di na asemu a court se be utum court se me boka ana say 10 years ngo atwa wo kapre wo teku se mpo ade kofa no ya say wo the former president ko court
what the me tro na say
ha Ghana ye ho sere no ma na nyeye
ye mpanimfo kronpo mu die
ye nimbu ye ho ne ye sere ya ke kampo fo kese sa ye wia tensam ya
ye mpanimfo kronpo mu die ni ma enye o mampanyini na pamfo no obi di dream kronpo na case ni kokota eya ahwede eko na me yare na me yesi ba wo citizen wo ka so yare a yetimi de court wara
ugo tu obi banchi
ebe tu e ma eye de wo ba court
omano
de ye kan nyina
the country is sick
the citizens ye do so chair the politicians
ye ntimi nya hwe wo do so wo ntimi
ahemfo any ade a edi ordinary citizens
the clergy no any na ahemfo no e go
think of the people
omuntimi nka
more than the
omuntimi nka I say politician obey ten god o so wunimu a politician obey ten god
that's it yeni aso ni amo ma ten god o eti asemi ya kan de manusi no mini aba bi oti KJT oti ye obo eye leader abaso ese wodwene ye ho but
wanyu obi aho bia nyu obi aho
eso no eye eno so asem
okay Mira Kufe Japan watching can make out say Mira Abdusalam Accra or so atrasi. Mamen Codin chain na Mimusan se film put to say Wuti Ajenkwa 101.9 Casafidie Opesio to say medie and I did a bro used to be live away in Facebook page so Ajenkwa FM Kumasi 101.9 YouTube Ajenkwa FM live Okwa Obesho like no comment na if you are senior atonka Yanya Bofonka to any Yaba Mira Abdusalam atrasi Yanino everything.
He wants. What's the wedding easy? Oh, you butu ankasa.
Messi, Lufat na wajima where you?
Hey, malaria drew Lufat. Jama wedding where your hospital.
Sister, where I imagine there. Few hours to my wedding. Na Missy Semu huma yeshepe. Minketa was the mikuni. My husband is sick.
Hey, Jama Tonodo. Na bazi no yen.
What's the water tested positive for malaria?
Memo, na been to one for ambulance na one.
Ambulance. It's not a bicycle.
Hey, no, nyasi from Kakabo.
No, kick. Me wedding gonna me make up Nina. Sometimes.
That's right.
Nearest pharmacy. One meji Lufat.
Entrance pharmaceuticals for one malaria druna.
Inyo. No me na wanter. Mukuno china nenadi. A brand pa.
No kuniso. No puna waka that you may kiss the bride. If you want to show day.
No, donna. Man, no, you don't know.
Indeed, woman malaria and cold to them. Lufat, a malaria drop test for malaria before treatment. FDA, Ashesa, a dead in Kratway, Ajatum say a ye.
National Lande, Alfeya Beja, Casina Bega, Afina Majumano Beko Swankasa. Ah, Bema, now we flesh actually for what to say Potos, anyway, near Gisaro, and then what to be an Massa Choco, Yawiyas is Siane Abi National. Unia, Abi Ani, Abi National. Sikakrabia Fufra, when you busu bia. Share, Womo, she say, Papa, a beso will have you nano. Nabutre, Bubunia, who hurry with the Jumano. Massa, when you beg Jikeke. Hey, it's even Abi National for you. Oh, I'm where do Kejeti here. When you come down in a dink anymore. Tell it out in Rika. Only me how? Do you know my problem? Intiko Abi National Krabata be a ben one day. No Nusika Krabia Musumpa. So once and Bisabia, Francis Sia. I was 0322 002 922. Abi National. Basumi Giasafwa. I was Sika Kremu. Ayo Radiayo.
Say, and you make one kind of make show with damage be papa. Off of the sea, Manu be and could then now be what that's about was so dainty. Was it a Tobacco Pharmaceuticals, Puff of Syrup, Power Dear Baby, into one thing, you were Puff of Baby, and Kodanta to feel a brown, a brown, now Puff of Child, Nansudia, and Kodak, a brown, Bush, now Puff of Adult, dear, and Penfold General, and a Puff of Family. What could you do it to Tobacco Pharmaceuticals? So one Puff of Nansa, no one to work. Who doctor? Puff of Syrup, send your million what that's the idea. Must you
say,
anti-pharmacist, me fear for United Power. Nanson, ye won't cacran say, may you tip a yeno, Kata, and winning in necessity. Me banon so when I'm mad, why you say boho, na med yet. As me need to 12 from a dear sort of baby a bit jam so a jamega, ga, na washe. Me fear dear, what do you? May you so fear dear, a yeducum, into way say in free fear. Would you free baby idea? None your drooping.
David, Ora, Tipaya dear, Wabajuma Musa pharmacist no. Me hubia. Ain't it to wasi? O wife Tipaya Nazakataka home. Good, and no obey here. Entramol D. And I was so banity payen so amana yembre. Okay, and no obey here. Entramol Ankasa. And I would know see a job ga. Alright, that is tension, headache, or migraine. Okay. We'll be here. Entramol Plus. With the J na no fear for no said the matrama will not prepare.
Entramo D, ni Entramo Plus no. Enyagro, e tuti payasi de kude. Nti is a ubet na ho. Na etia power there. Ene wa wasa.
FBI hwe say dwede nkratu agyatum say ye.
Abuzafo yadamase semwatwe yaje dwede nkratu aba Mira Abdusalam trofo penyi di Mercy PP asantema ntemu akrata ase Mira fie boko de
ya me adom
Okay. Then yanko passe. Anopei ye din koma, ye didin komo. Ye was a chairman sabunzu say, we are said dane. Na was what down hubi. It will share Amamrekuni 1992 Constitution 30 years. That one vision diasa. A blanason. And you waiting the Dikaya Waka. And you know one Waka answer me. There's union Yara Martin Pebuse hair go from Bois, Omuditim, the Mukani Yan Cray. A constitution any day.
Diana Bamidas, I mean, a cheer for you, Nana. Mean you saw Queen and Chammy Patima, yes, before. Baba saw me the Mamin chair, saw me consent for you, and Omochama Laji, Namicham. Namincha, me you for original organizer, Suleiman, and the Penifona Mokapatin winner. Dunia. Your constitution will be a Cassian son. You ask yourself, I don't tell us, son. If you say your constitution and Cassano, quite a fast a short constitution, there will be Taibi. A short constitution, and right if you say, you better say your coffer for public. Your coffer for public, and not a Nipokobina, or I've been probably say young coffer for public. Nay, Obibia or Ghana Memoir at Jitumusa. And I'm something now. The Omum Pen, Omum at that time on a 2 minute show. Tis opposite or Jimudia. Now you call democracy also in a dibia, or Befis or Jimua, and our Jitumua, one Shereshi. And tea, we know, law. You make sure say all the necessary protection, any powers are not the then revolutionary the Awano, Yafa Quabia maintaining.
Okay.
Senator. Say, I call democracy, own fees, a democracy, and to me, say, no says that Baba used constitution, you should be a friend decree.
Yeah.
And only Mra, or no chairman of the PNDC.
Or that's all, yeah.
No, I didn't say, I only Nipa by me, say, I'm passing. Unu be a by this or this war. And that time, not to Sara Napacaso, but the Diana regional secretary, every time the regional minister.
Yeah.
Namid Salama, regional secretary to finance, that means Minister of Finance. Nina on the power hour. That time, no, be up or my memo from the district, region to national level, no, and be feel on no. And Tia Embrana, San is Sajan or Pepe. Chanabea or bear president, Sa points, you know, is not taken away and infringing some. And Tia Mrani Bibri or immunity as my okay, Nimi Brini, Sanabea. The benefits oh, some legitimate say Democrats cry. To me, what me was to say no, and one have a good side. I will be seven. And the immunity by so, September to Filisua, 10 years until Fanongo court. And tell me, the Senate Abbey so, Mammy Free Swimming Castle, Democrat court in tea, Mimpenema means form. Some of the laws on the air considering your situation at that time, and I never. Now, Osha, constitution, Sebenka, Canipacuranca, always say go on,
yeah.
And then they do constitution, and then they 31 years. And they should tell you, say, constitution ain't in college. Now, maybe I could do ya who say, yeah, practice constitution, yeah, practice constitution. Ya won't be Brunebeka loopholes, shortcomings, maybe you have to say, dear, ya entire say what democracy needs, this year, near experience your life. I didn't read the new question, and the also son. What's your minority leader? I know finding political arena and can some say one. I was a copy ministers.
Yeah.
Say ministers do I appoint it because who drew how mentra every because of my way. And I'm sick as some need the demography of the Ghana know your size and that. Any a Juma person your man. Ain't me opportunity some 40.
Okay.
And they do 40
I see.
I am Ra. So I say I was a copy the seats of parliament.
Yeah.
Says seat in a parliament at Tinamino. Who share the size of the country, you know, the population, you know, ni your demography, you know, your land size, you know. Huh? And look at the Arabia, many MPs 250, and I find 275. I mean, it's young for being count view. What's he? Winner takes all. Say, yeah, election, no obi dim kunimua. Not just say, I know be an idiot. From DCE to MCE to minister, the party mankwa, special assistant, be department. Was he enjoy side, you know? In some of the campaign, yes, some I was a general. Look, Michelle Jeffrey about number of ministers. Osha and Naminoka say, basic salary of a cabinet minister over 16,000. more than 160 million basic salary. That's basic salary. Also, we are basic salary. Say, we see can I did 12 cano. Allowance and count. Allowance and count.
Scabutri one casa
system over system. Now, what the allowance is count any be any day allowance and then or could be 32,000 to 3,000. We because we better tax for the say a tax in about 7,000. And at the end of the day, they take home. I in a net, and number 23, 24.
1,000.
And if I saw the 20,000, minister, be now 85 ministers away. If I say 40, 8 substantive ministers. I saw me look at 20,000, a minister.
Yeah.
And the minister could be 20,000. So, minister, I feel I could be a son of a spend on 240,000 1 year. And the so offer ministers tenor 1 year be spending 2.4 million almost. And the several ministers 40 now 1 year is spending by me for say 8.9 point something cry. Yes, me for say 8.8 million on just 40 ministers annually. For more deputies bra, for more special assistants bra, for more car bra, and more light bill spending, and more atadia, and more ne. And to come more. Ministers pay 40 a year and I bet to spend more than 20 million on them. And the so what is what Saski in a wedding was
okay.
For deputy ministers and also and only a car about mine. Because I was Kaisa and no Michelle be so Kaisa. The same in
Sayana Bisuka say ye carbon sanwa. Nipa was whom we had unemployment ebeba. And the rate at which I pay development and also a back to a and also debate here and argument here and so a system no but also say a power ministry be Ghana for never quack or be a director, or be a one, be a one in your age. If you so say a one a service and for Bibiama Mira
ministry biano apart from the main ministers, they criticate in Chenchen, or money in Obakona and Nipa knows 20. And we don't need this to create employment. When you create employment, say, if I say you are creating minister, no, by 30, no, be after 30, Nipa Sanafa, 900. On my population of about 4 million in Jumayano, over the buff 900, how many percentage in offer?
Okay.
What we are saying is, young minister Nikki to now I am more proper tax no me juma. Next can I get to your mocano. You have a page of for Nipa.
Simple.
If at the end of the year, you better say 10 million guarantees on 40 ministries. Not 10 million guarantees could be a pump pants, near underwear. Only the chain of employment. From company to supplier to the best one a pump maton. And then, I mean, I do rolling star my boy telecommunication buyer. Fancy be MTN and Nipa would differ MTN, so what's my kind? From the company to mobile money to 111 to 111. What's my kind? Minister of Communication is saying, the person all. So, offer ministers say, Tiswa, boy, second and Bible, baby. Look at the size of our parliament. On my population here, over 30 million. There were 270 MPs. That means MP could be a 100,000, 80,000 MP. It's too much for us. Oko community be MP to me 4,000.
6,000 not comparing.
Not the MP. Oko community be 30,000 will lose election.
Yeah.
So, I need a waste of resources. And then ministers are president accuracy. Regional ministers. Ministry be or region be or I'm sit here for pay. I'm a minister. Region be of 47 seats. I'm a regional minister.
Yeah.
They are all regional ministers. I don't think the region actually mean no. Savannah area. Yeah, allow 1 minister now to oversee the whole region. What is wrong with that? And yes, just a change now. So all these things you should something else look into. And it is true say sit in the door so.
In Tibana you be an answer never say your best expansion.
Because you say Mrancha say I'm say every 8 years we are election twice we are. I was say security new seats. But let me create this parliament, you know. na ye seat ni bebre na we expect say as when a democracy grow no ye be nipa kakra e dey abam on board e say ema what you say as wa for trotro otum says trotro be nipa by 20 no me be afo ndam yotu me ti ne be pa ya mo be do 20 ema
okay
you don't have to go and build another body be for nipa attach maybe I do ye pala na ema na say na for contemplative you are going to create another by say
chamber drop the chamber you know
it's say 27 seats I'm say go about create 8 say me this is not going to happen we are not going to accept it Osho mean MP ba could be a scarce spend on him a month is about 29,000 much about 270 I think you see guys saying okay propose that we say yema MPs na any speaker of parliament I think it's also said we say we MP is a member of parliament I think I said with him but I could be no one can name the influence of political parties on their MPs
okay
one can want him ABR nani bi na maso and he doesn't support it say political party I can say I be about MP for a party or parliament they obey no also consult here your party at the headquarters but the man to be because we constitution tomorrow more headquarters no cry but I say what we do parliament no they obey be no consult here say any a party be kwa na say nko e ba o man assembly e be ka ba busa de enka wan ka yempene 2 say party no got to say wa pamoa you lose your seat
okay
all this law must be scrapped and tell me constituency na me constituency for to abama me na me ko MP na party say o ba parliament ne kaya sama wan ka ma enti apamo enti yempam free parliament why you can't you run on the taking of the party that is not what it's supposed to be no parliamentarian or parliament you address the got to say MPP MP or NDC MP you address the MP for this Swami MP for Tafo who say they are not allowed to carry their party colours into the chamber so what parliamentarians am office who party colours because you are representing the masses or representing the states
or constituency or MPP for or NDC for CPP for
if you know constituency for allow say you use your party office as your office it should be your separate office say about MPP ni betima alcohol NDC ni can work there CPP ni betima alcohol you don't even paint it with your party colours which was the office of the MP you are for all now mo go tell parliament or party to control how can that be possible it should be scrapped say MPP the MPs the independence look you have 3 arms of government the executive the legislature and the judiciary and on my mara say they are independent bodies they do the checks and balances on my baby I know I can say there's any iota of influence of political parties and this eba na party eti MPs parliament eti na MPP headquarters NDC headquarters na take office a director more na democracy na
okay
uko Nigeria you can declare yourself you can cross carpet as MP you still remain as MP till say be in election but in Nigeria ya one omo de we are appointed MP pay you are appointed minister pay you lose your MP
okay
you are appointed minister sit the fato
okay
no me take concentrate e only paper go to me because omo I don't say parliament I want we are representing certain people to concentrate on that. So these laws should be looked into. For example, a friend saying, "I'm a Benukofo, a person such Hughes, a speaker mano against the will of Peter Lajeti, Peter Lajeti. Bible Convention Parliament can say Peter Lajeti wanted to remain as speaker." Say, who are better about the piano for your young? in secret ballot. What about the piano? For sure, young. Of the executive over the events of parliamentarian. Yenin be condemning me. I called them that time. I don't know. I'm going to turn the NDC MPs into a stooge. Say, I'm going to and that is an affront to our democracy. Say, a body like the legislature, party, governance, you know, different from the political party in power. And this means maybe opposition, say the person in governance. Salon no me person meeting no me say o kasa asam no na clear free because look yes I bebe do pepe so bi no you get a fine gentleman with fine brain o ko do parliament and now you corrupt and now no MP for Obuasi or say
kwatin
kuku kwatin e ko kasa no Ghana obi abona baso because people did not expect that to come from an MP in parliament say asema o ka no e tiana ban tiana parliament enso o ka. How many times do you that kind of speech?
Unya.
When Papa anti-corruption, Papa after Boni.
Aye.
Oh, sorry, I say all fight against corruption. Peace appeal. Calculatively. I mean, if him because the case of forge check $5,000 for a friend say Vodafone money be calculatively. I mean, if him okay, 10
years.
Oba say mills yare mills you want share the ko want to be like planning a uniform and this is parliament you fine brains with good ideas but they can't talk
as we obu ho wu ja no and some wo beka no enya ne die sese wo kikan yo
ana tina bruche no opposition to me the policy be ba and I the policy but no opposition na ono an sit kasa
we dey nyintu
no matter swaba na the party at what no so he still receive Ghana who dare you say ebia na edi ilevi by nanka chairman so no be so that say ilevi and support me do yame by next week go
wa bia so truly e bin so
but what can you do because party in there ba you see your chief whip them in line as an collab as school na mo ko kedagatim bi so all this law must be looked into say a person democracy timua you more crime people act free will but me the baby no I did back why say why and say what can they be favor among politicians forgetting about Ghanaians how many times you know that remand 6 months 7 months in the
NASA
what policy be no the buy say aban look remand now be them 3 months from obi okoya cause means sorry yes my lord the case has been adjourned to
near no be call remand 14 good years
till some of justice for all issue by Michelle Burkina baby video amujano or say omufri Accra ba kwato na medical Burkina omudu nkokoro no that am second fa nkokoro
yeah
and so see akojana nai say akwa wo che kan tu kojano there's a language barrier am for terasem and omuche no the no compensation be for 16 years yandi the case say no nam kru asa to say akojano that day government have to take him to America a friend say Burkina Faso, I'm so compensated and sana. Also, no, the family crime he doesn't even remember where the last police station in the Freeman's. He was being taken here, there, for 16 years. And let me tell you that many of them, your prisons, ya police patrol, you might dump on my democotum, basa. What kind of time I kumbudu? Yes, I'm for the console, yes, I'll be the new one. I'm not so much I'm bonus with different issue. There's a more sacrofono and a more consoma. I was brought here on different case. So the guys were taking to Zawam. I'm not part of it. So then if he said we must be advocating for the look and then the powers we're giving to police. What you know do at all. Now I'm for them sir. We shall share some of your computer system. I bet alert judges or try not on the computer so. I bet that all the cases for today for that one ten and they say enti say dia look uko who prosecutor is had from prosecutor eti months kana watamo document
yeah
doc sham pass but don't so be 1 year
otimi ka say be do court ade me kan na judge be fa am pass na judge be fa
you see you mo state lawyer obe state lawyer no case that is about 200 into oduba on the person on the asem bia kan oduba my lord and I postpone one ka catch she say there's nothing like that. Abuse of human is fundamental no I know them papa and to be this constitution there some of us are advocating for the regime but one thing me mention say as for we no take all some our kind no you know so you know the reason why am I enko anymore no because look I mean if you say the money mo your body me and family so all I would do is me mama form even say the money there right corner I will jeopardize it say the member form I mean so my enjoy and you need none must be looking
Mira Abdul Salam na watching Kano garden boy yanko na fa bintu aso minority say one more I play amano abeti aka chere say ebile BBC na bile ni 1966 and 1972 die si ye na ya abantuguo na je ko fa abantuguo no baaye no na system no mo wohye na kasa na doso to mo bo na beti se wonim wowu a eya obi da won ko hwe eno no ye ensem a wo se minority no e pra ma no se wada won sole na die kwa na esi e de na ekoso a se ba bia yadui abantugo be da babio mamos ma be se nso
jana ba me da wasi bio asema minority kenyina ne se in the heat of the moment say Rebecca ya omuma mfanto na mfanto minority ne emanyina in relation to normal AC organ pain. You said the tragedy of mankind is that we learn nothing from history.
Okay.
Nipa timomufo sabi yenkai abakosem emfa enye the entini ye nyoma ye woso sisi
samwo
edwanaba and the date 23rd rather 23rd February 2023 Namaya Domotina 24th. Otina and the saddest day in the history of Ghana's history ever. Because 24 February 1966 was the day MPP founding fathers. Eye ku editia Yura Kwame Nkrumah. Na reason since omudi eku editia Kwame Nkrumah otina exactly 57 years. Omo reasons ni omo justification ni na ne say Nkrumah asadodo na temomofo eyedem ebre. Jana ba yen kama obi aso entia say there is no proper justification obi abetimi ama on the happenings you see on the eve of 24 February 1966. Because after the Second World War, two superpowers emerged.
Okay.
In the Soviet Union and the United States of America. And Obiaso per se, out of his own territory, no, also control on other countries. And the Soviet Union were aligned to what? To Kwame Nkrumah. And a JB Dan Kwamo MPP founding fathers for sabi Nkrumah dia wo ye de fefefe ya wo ye na o mo say wa nyetawi o mo se do o mo tam ekobo the United States and classified CIA intelligence what try say kuna esiye Nkrumah kuna David Dan Kwame MPP for founding fathers ehihye mu bie no United States of America na ede and orchestrate here Ejanaba obiaba wasitema oil refinery usi wanyade obiaba wasi akosombo dam usi still na wanyade obiaba wayetema motorway usi still na wanyade obiaba Volta Aluminium Company usi wanyade kono the region about to ase ankuruma sini na also wanya de
silos ahodo
reasons bent na odi ye kuna o se omotimumufo ne eye den everybody are complaining economically things were not good. Yetu nkruma ban efi on preceding government by under the guise of MPP faces. Umutimi boya na. Nkruma time na ko hospital na untwe ska. Na so kohwe abrabujia na president prime minister and Akufo-Addo papa na ceremonial president. Kohwe the Hospital Fees Act 1971. Omutu nkruma ban gu ya na Akufo-Addo papa be ceremonial president no. And omudi the Hospital Fees Act e buy. Chese Ghana for better tax mu hospital mu ntweska. De muso onya na timumufo complaining no. What's companies? Why factories? Why kwan? Why hospitals? Why dam? Mumu buy den moye. Now the winning ayeka Ghanaians for a winning currently in the history of this country ni na NSA. Nkrumah was good because Professor Lumumba Bakacho said Nkrumah was larger and he was larger than life. Because at a point he wanted to unite the whole of Africa. Tebe Africa be have a single currency ni na yede. Ye use na boost economy. Tebe Africa na betima united bargaining front. Ye ko United Nations na ko kasa ye nteki ye beteki ye seriously. And now me no kase South Africa yentimi enye de unite ye wunti no. Unu say United Nations Security Council Africa any vote was all. The whole United Nations Security Council Africa any one vote was so. And there was superpowers. But G8, G20. Omo kotena security details no omo passive vote no resolutions na then it become binding on us. A continent of more than 1.2 billion population. When we are not factored when security policies are being taken at the United Nations Congress. This is what Nkrumah wanted to fight against. But JB Dan Kwanim ne na afefo oma mananda da. Na Yankopon shirawa no waye den no wo shirawo. Kwame Nkrumah ono onye na adwese anka obe politics mpo Ghana. Because he was academician like now doing now was so say onsia na de won UK no onye school na enko. Now so akweje mu and a GCP before UGCP eco meeting eco cast they need a secretary sabi obey a full-time secretary. Pa grant and akweje mu na the guy cast say omu adamfo bi omunim no a book mu shark onimuma na UK. So now me tie that documentary no pa grant baba ku ka say pa grant mpo na ma omo $100
yeah
and a send man kuma e for ship e ba Ghana oba Ghana wona ye keto a o mumu wona ye keto a so mumu na so Yankopon adom ahyira no wonfa age ho Ishira Yankopon shira na Kwame Nkrumah no ena ma sabi Debi Dan Kwane eye omoya ena ahoya ebe dem ebe simu nto be kan enwumwe na ye ma menum eto nwum bi me ma beto o omo si Dan Kwe Kwame Nkrumah ya oden Dan Kwe Kwame Nkrumah ya ozen enyo wa na kofa no fira bochira ba ya Zankwe Kwame ayewo den
we composer we arranger we
ma menum tira o se omu se Kwame Nkrumah Debi Dan Kwane UGCP before pay for na yede ekofa ne buy na so buy sense Yankopon shira e won so bebre ni ntino na ahoya aseti in ahoya aseti in no mpono anka nipa ne kra menhwe nipa na oyire no hwe ne dwuma woye. Because at that time almost all the major African countries are under colonial watch. Apart from Ghana, because NFS and independence. And tonight, I say, yes, soon, Krumomuye. Now, so for let's see for you.
And you say, dear SCNT minority, we see from a dear SCNT, this Clarion Call, a free minority at the common government.
Clarion Call a minority, Emma Yinan say. Minority is not in reference to Numa AC and Nkrumah time. Or more reference the National Liberation Council after that of Nkrumah.
Yeah.
National Liberation Council ebe sustain for some months. And sa na Yakuba Second Republic Abuja ebe Prime Minister. Dot trajectory no that year no and yeka because in between that time after the deposition of Nkrumah to Bushi as Oba Beli dia be Bushi akuno factors be asabi cost wo mamu a eni bia so na yede cost sesia currently factors ni bi factors ni set momufo no bre ye the taxes abeto wo so enti na mecho say Bushi was the first to even introduce say oko hospital ukotwieska. These are some of the factors. And for history, so the current president, which has to be Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, one of the presidents of more introduce enough taxes in his what? In his administration. Hey, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, and you know one president and not person idea by you. Now so COVID-19 by you, wakofa COVID-19 levy abameboa. Ono one president cha to my bet. Wakofa my bet on tax abo gaming tax. Meboa. On a president or introduce luxury vehicle tax. Second, now which in F don't tell who tax aba. Uncle Boboya. Second, I meet a luxury finance aluna. I was a mutual tax. Indirect look at him, say Mincha Boboya, and answer member magazine, and Bepe Congo BBM and find Yameka. Unkwana, we are president. You have even adjusted what VAT and never say. From 12 to what? To 15.5%. Okay, in Abuma collective almost 21% tax on.
Okay, this is form.
And yeah, catch and another Dankwa Akufo-Addo name people say. The history of mankind, we must learn from that history. Say.
Okay.
I am in the year of Bushi and Nene Papa. Omode policies are Ghana for Amman. Any be no oil into ye kindness on ye on she send in your may.
I know a garden boy, Mira Kufeja upon Yenti.
Medasi. And a young one was a garden boy. He can't throw be near the other.
So,
yes, let's take the facts right. NDC 14 bet now catch say. NDC is different from PNDC. Meboa.
Okay.
By now, what was say? The National Liberation Council is MPP. Who are the founders of MPP? Go to Electoral Commission. Nekohe. Me pacho say to them. Okay. Busia never made a coup in the history of Ghana. There's no coup they attribute to Busia. Say Busia coup. San Yomana, Omayi Omadre say Yebeka. Na a insight a shenkrofubia bufuo, ewo Nyoma bihuno. Emwa. In the history of Ghana, coup ben ya title is a Busia coup.
Okay.
And I say, coup ben a Busia, LED. Yes, he succeeded in Nkrumah. Babu Sa say coup ben a Busia LED in the history of Ghana. Woka Babe Trim Busia. Ababe Remuse wo ye.
Say no or chese.
No, Miss Okanamiti, I'm a boy.
Or chese JB.
I would have interject.
Mama, or chese JB Dankwanum. And ye yodum. Am I ye two Nkrumah? Tie two Nkrumah no. And ye Busia buy no. And unti a year MPP for na my two. So say MPP before the Maya too.
You said it.
After the overthrow of Nkrumah, he had the National Liberation Council. Almost they are military leaders. Almost a months of stability and more organized election. And the JB then come in the Second Republic election. That's what I said. Bushi Abebe in the second. That's what I said.
But 1966 school need die
but
you na
benefactor
of the
look at this
what's why
explanation or this any the first statement of my JB Dankwam na lead coup ma ye tu nkuma that was his first statement Kasanamiti who said that metro but Busia and JB Dankwa came into the scene after the national liberation year coup no more organizing election.
Okay.
So if they had led the coup, 1971 coup a lead.
Yeah.
Lead Osangene.
Yeah.
Boatija lead yen. Owie election a Jerry John Rawlings be president ana. Ye Musa ya ho election. Say what the metro. Enti unki cancer mumbo and try say what the go obi hu fi because I would think Ojin say we yes sir CPP ni benya odobi dia ede. Sure. After say National Liberation Council ye ni coup, I call election. Emma Buzia ebeye the head of state.
Okay.
Emma JB Dankwa ebeye the prime Buzia beye prime minister. And Emma JB Dankwa beye head of government business. Ye Musaya who said the legacy of Nkrumah Ekohin. They were still running. Until 1971. And I started say companies and Nkrumah see the PNDC to understand say Jerry wife ekoto den san wamu kanri okay that issue a copy a court ni ade ade nyina it is a can obi obo Nkrumah legacy ho baya. Why do we bring in this? What did I make wrong? Let us go to the substantial topic. Omunim says sebi manusi sumunaso. And semuna they are overrated minority leader ebe kan ye no. Sebi and sema emu oha.
Oh Samu.
Was a bono ben. It was a semina de wan sha dan kosu. And what they call in Nambuzi a coup and a JB Dankwamu na ye coup. Master, as a minority leader,
and some more has said Sabre Ghana, yeah, debt restructuring. And some more has said Sabre Ghana, yeah, China, Cocacho, say, Fayeka and Chaye. And some more has said Sabre Ghana inflation rate echo slow and no my kikan.
Yeah, call China, yeah, debt restructuring. When Oman Penyin Kufuor took over,
okay,
in 2001, or yes, I knew my win. The only difference in say, Nana Addo didn't take over from another government in 2021. He took over from Onwani government. When he say it was due to the finance expert in the say it was due to debt restructuring in 2001, and a dear call Hepik. Salam Mebwa. Utire metro.
Okay.
Neye obi enioma wo ye to wo. Entinya nwanwa. Na de me ka sensem no mo ha ne se. Enioma ya famu no. Ana say ye namu no. So does it warrant say ye be preach coup? Anthony ye ka the constitution review.
On preach coup.
Meba
nemom wo mawo nyaso ne mfato ho bi. Say baby
and you may be saying a man cool by Etima Wanina. What are you telling others? Ghana and your Maya from during the coup d'etat era. Me wo might be wo Adwatu, a chile, your own friend Alaji. Adwatu Mosque, no? Say, Ufa o right here. The first Arazo house a bar Adwatu, Saya Brosai. No Etima merchant. A basin. Onina busuya for Jerry John Rawlings in the NDC and she if you because you see it was after the coup ye tormented businessmen and a man a ball from that notwithstanding and you ma coup dear baby drew baby on my way you know yes sorry near can and I a politician but you cannot rate coup out of it. South Africa. South Africa is still enjoying their first republic. And answer them in Kemibwa. And developmental new maybe a question continuous. And you may could your mind. And who he say ye benya penny be some minority leader Mpobe used to coup d'etat as reference in his statement. So, ekwamode ebusuafo. Enuntino ebusuafo nkamom na ebusuapanyini yenya ne sodom. Is that how we rule a nation? Enuntino make us a sansem no mu yedey. He could have come with some suggestions. Meboa, I said one that the country say that even the 2024 election is all about the economy. And he an economic expert.
Yeah.
Said the bear will lead the parliament. And think this economic expert will ban. Nanka wahu nyomano na who make suggestion to the government. But the only suggestion you could make in say the government should set up. And yes, sir. And your man and Namuno, and on the previous coup day.
Okay.
A buy. Hey, I to force a doctor, an economy.
Okay.
Who solution to an economist, who solution to the economic problem. Hey, you coup. Oman ye kwa anasi eba.
Okay. It was the formula.
Oman ye kwa anasi eba. An economist, who solution to our economic problems. I say we refer you to a coup.
Okay.
Preaching of a coup. You best read the NDCs. Sure. It will never be a Diana Bawe she say. O free agin kwenti agin kwangu.
Debbie.
And I say, o free agin kwanko media house foforo. Enti media house na Diana ba aircon. O manager o no. And I say morning show host to a wono on performing abysmal. Okay. Said ye be ya ye be pamono. Ni ababa be fano. Neso performing abysmal. Now na challenge ne koye so huge. How do you do it? Neso be yempa eduma be na ade babe. But the NDC wish ni say yempa abusua panyini. Enti abusua fie no yempa eboni say
okay.
Ebe dwiregu. So that abusuafo be pam abusuafo. Eno ni adwemponi eni awudi sema ewa ndi
salam. Akra Fabi Soso na yanko yenim. Opani. Okay. Yeah. Omuta su di peche. Ana yesu kwa di ye. They claim they are vulnerable, but they felt they are home. From why not because of even in Africa, but as a populist thing, so man might be into a mother cover. The entire acceptance, they say, young politicians, you go to a radio program. It will be very difficult for MPP in one state say, yeah. Meanwhile, we are doing good. Your politicians, your poor my campo. But we make us say, and so that is it. Development 85% is born out of democracy. Democracy requires an amount of 2 million from a constituency to national. So, constituency, can boy, ever MP Mammy. General election, say, Salah be a president, and Munia the boy president. I am a will, Makosala, and Matuaba. Some people call Munia, they will majority to me now. It's democracy, or man on Konkanya, as a Mukuya, it Mukabi. Lucas and revolution and Casabe, that case in there. Who dare we say about us all? What about us or picketing? Democracy, the better than the discussion. Hey, Amale, Mampani, Mubokrono, Sikaway transparency, no me who the air, your father, parliament, and yes, and say, democracy, will be car knows what can be. It doesn't the fuck rocket friend of democracy say, can be my man can be. So democracy, a liberation, a fairness, my okay. I never knew I never saw about the bag, and more, which may pay Scabo fees. Oh, I can walk. What do I say? Tama, Tafonta was here in 2011 or so. 2011. And the Tafoni cemetery issue. Yeah. And 2016.
Anna, you do careful. Some was a move careful. I feel more children some who get Mutiana, my number, some who get and no one who can.
Yeah.
You know what careful is. They said, no, you fire by reaction. We have not seen cool before. You would revolution that.
Yeah.
Tell me, Nipaunama, Obia. So they just call him and he was relating the.
Yeah. Would you now we are COVID-19 by a greater Kumasi? Young quad day. Yeah. Ah. You're not Yamusa, woman, Banu. Nasable be a wako, a private be now.
Oh, cool. And I might be a look. You can ask them and say, we are South Spending. Refuse never money. Nobody BIC, no account. Nobody be by BIC, the message implementation. And Tom Kuma factory 400. And it's my own. So cool, yeah. But to the beer, we create schools.
In what way?
You see, to share them off for my focus. Now, say, looking at way, you can't want to money. Because the city president, and farmer, Ramos on education for the country. But quite a wonder, people who told me, about double say, tell my friends, Adam Baru,
yeah.
Because they had to be a baby data. Unqua, president, so is it true? Unqua, a customer. And somebody president. Now, for children, no more as a man penny. You are preparing grounds for people to overthrow you. And then echo. That is the history. But then now, say democracy is the best.
Okay.
But don't be a critical way. I don't think from you because the fundamental human right, I different physiological needs. I want to move.
Yeah.
Who group Ghana walk with you after a sorry about no free.
Unya Giannini. Go before no. Obo minimum obi anu otutun kokko. Cratch biti mi fili kokko sa 120 Ghana cedis. Kokko to mam 2 cedi mam. Wo free 120. If you are egu. Coco 14 cities.
14 cities. I paid for him. But who's a guy when you're going to do it? Also, we can't want to go 14 cities on dry. Okay, I'll sell 50 so my baby. And no clue up to one city. How many people will go to Choba and buy food and turn them and do their name? And they can look at it in doorway. And in the same country, you know, or you could sue a man for appointment. Why do you do that? I'm not from Peru, but yeah, poor. You might be so okay, I changes. Not that much I see you. Today, I changes. And they are happy. So, you know, nobody will wish for cool. Because me, man, at least I've seen who are coming. So, the member say, yeah, I see democracy.
Okay.
Look, I don't for Ukraine, I never got you. Ukraine war. Models, superstars.
Yeah.
But yet, Ghana, we are going to our Bema. What I'm going to say, Tony and check. What you going to know? What's going Tony and check? He has no confidence in this country.
And to question, I said, Paris, over Quad in a mind. Okay. Yo, ya friend na yemfa ba yetiefo ba kwa na minu bi na ya yemfa dwedi no esi 0204905655 0596248959 na yetiefo adwenkyere ene nsem hodo a ene dey aba betodwa ma yenko na anas fufuo ode ne dia aba no se NDC abekonu di omunya alternative emfama Ghana ya hoche me ba so wudi ba bia okasa fi wa daroma. Hello. Opesika Goody.
Offer on a million water. Very Jokuma, or a year, I just saw. I just remember a offer. I will come upon a pretty my answer at the next president of the Republic of Ghana, definitely. Dr. Lajman Kudubon, so Gio Pan, a couple of offer. MPP, you know, there's a mistake here. You also, it is so because Nkrumah, if Nkrumah free or no, we are the deputy president. Offer. Mr. Momume, and the history of Nkrumah, General Anchor, Major Anchor, and a video. The Anchor free or no, a brigadier, a champon, and send a buy, a few, and Sana. A kufu, another damn kufu for the ceremonial president. Later, baby, and Abuja. Happy to phone and then you get your own city hero. Kutuka was part of the Mukotro, Rumbo, and Kroma. And then Kutuka International Airport, Ona Gerona, the Tono.
Yes, and Pacho Dimba, I got Sefu Adarma. Hello, Pacho Dimba, I got Sefu.
The Pacho Midin Hamza.
So you walk up to Mira.
In fact, I should walk up here. I don't know, I mean, more about so. Mention me for John Alan, or Bishop Martin, the Ghanaian favorite. Be all out to be after them. I'm in chair engineer, Pablo, who said you me, former MP, I just constituency. Now, the mechanic say, yeah, I ended to you know, and now where you say, in a way, you say, let me say, MPP, you know, what in a school, at Channel, Ghana, the history now. MPP for Mokofa, Mokofa, Kwame Nkrumah Baye, and I knew how to do, but is it when get the developmental Nkrumah player? And yes, sir, there's some money. Hey, one Nkrumah, Kwame Nkrumah, one Nkrumah, and I want to win. I want to say, yeah, we call fine you now, my training to Kwame Nkrumah, they are going here and say, MPP, I'm a queer, or you want to drink Ghana. Say, developmental job there. Only MPP in June.
Yes, you are, but you never got a few other one. Mira, I only have Solomon. A chance once a minute and after passes. I watch my own general and of my memo only about the Fabaso, now Menchacha, my ordinary who up here, Oka, and the finance vice president is Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Ghana, and that's one or no. Ona, whether brand to the casino and with a break 18. Now, again about say or mine back. Now we will put now say or mine or emperor or man entity or man empire. Now we have a million also now put your money. Who is the Kononia Papa? The person with him. You are at the point here. You are I didn't get the idea. What only need economic. I will not be in your bois. I must say that economic assembly parliament or be in your bois. I made me I solve the problem and it is my worker. When you go on the media domain, oh, he said, Mountaigne, and I'm not going to follow. And it turns out, I'm maybe a bit too much. You bet you made it so. My Ghana, you may come before small, my Ghana, or maybe my Ghana so. So, some people manage to be that. You know, my mom would take an apple, what you know, yeah, I'm going to go. Yeah, that's a part of the baby. I got a last corner.
One with God, it's one of majority. And the second Messiah, they are going to be washing about a Dr. Lajman Baumia, but you will be a mention about doing that. Kakamikan is again about the 26th century. Second of 4, a percent century, a mama. Ghana for me do more now. No more come here, Mama. And you put it first. So, Mama, is anybody idea? Ghana, can you be a uniform for soda? So, yo, a home at the dream this for dear friend. And let me Yakura a Alabama. I was a trouble, you know, on the Dano. Or Yabama, your mama be the idea. Or Castle, your mama so be the idea. Or Mama Gobophobia, what to the Ghana. Nobody going to talk. And then this is them. Nobody going to see. Oh, it's a come over for come to make a mama. But when I'm just a moody anymore, I'm a come down 40 years, and you say, because do somebody, no one ever catch on where get good. What's on what dream beside the man? No, and then move back. You need to come in that. mo di ma kwanya no twa mo po so mo no sensan na mo fo ma woni fo me ganu
ya say you ra wode aba Gary boy Ghana for akasa ye ko akrade na DJ
Joanna by ye ko de ye kin no say me de nkai na me kai NDC form tie say yankopon dom NDC be process o mo contest as member of parliament obi picking form online na ye best say prime minister ye ba be kozi obi adi ni die be ma die ni die fata no ne ina ya campaign based on message say be I bet manya the right candidate edo mo aba as parliamentary candidates going to 2024
mo ya da say Japan
unia
Ghana for akasa
ye ka kire Ghana for nyina ne say omunkoso nya ahwehemu wo MPP amanyoku because ye nko anye ni amanyoku a ye betimi aboa oman no na nyame yadomo chena Dr. Ben Asante CEO Ghana Gas ne papa Krumba ko eni dwaso enti nyame adom dwaso presby hoso
to ezi ono obefa dwaso ana obefa askwa
askwa
o fa henfa
o fa askwa
okay
dwaso presby baby a o school wa ma wo mu an ultra modern classroom block ochina Ghana Gas through led by Dr. Ben Asante kwakwaku bi ano ewudwaso na askwa force so edanase
okay
titru ni rempemu asidu koka
okay
di odidi mo bibidi
na munko ana modiji nwa ya de we mira salam akwa ye ko de na jijaye Mira Abdul Salam watene kan we trofo panyin dima CPP amikuno asademante wa ba besun ko fe Japan e kasa dema NDC na Garden Boy enso kasa dema NDC amikuno wa ma besun no pay na yetifo wa chichi mechemu yedo bia se na